What's up, my people? What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the night shift. My name is Brad. I'm your host in the chair, behind the mic, in front of the camera for the next 4 hours. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever it is you find yourself on this big, beautiful world that we live on. I hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Oh, man, it's so good to be back with you guys. I am pumped about tonight's show. We've got some incredible accounts to give away. Hopefully be trying to tickle some wicks, make a little money together. Hope that you guys have had a great day. I had another great trading day today. Another great trading day today. Sorry, just looking at a quick message here. All right, cool. So we opened, dropped, tried to take out the previous day high, previous all-time high, and we have sold off into the new hour here at 7 o'clock Eastern, continuing to sell off. I don't know if this is where the DDP level is or not. Let me turn the music down now. Now that we're into it, let's turn that music back down a little bit. This is just my guesstimate of where our Dan's Daily Pivot level is. I don't know where it is. I got it at 662. We'll see how close I am. All right. Got some Iranian news coming out. The Bahrain Interior Ministry says warning siren sounded, urges public to seek nearest safe location. This is going to be a great opportunity to buy the heck. 608. Oh, man, I was way off. Today. That stinks. All right. I think that's the first. That's 60 points off. Man, I was really thinking it would be up around 660 level tonight, but who knows? Oh, well, it's fine. More Iranian news. We lost the war. We lost the war just now, and price is dumping about 80 points. So we're going to wait until we win the war again, and hopefully we'll be in a trade, and we'll be all good. So just hang on. We're going to win the war again. If not tonight, tomorrow probably. And all will be well. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, guys. We have 8 great accounts to give away tonight to the community. We've got we got an Alpha Futures account. We've got some Lucid Pro accounts. We've got some Next Gen accounts. We've got a My Funded Futures account. All of the usual suspects, all of the bangers. That's what we're giving away tonight. So we'll see what the market gives us. I had a great trading day today. My funded account on Alpha Futures, 50K, is up to almost $7,500 profit. We need 2 more days, and we'll be able to take out a 3K payout. I need 2 more days of $200 profit minimum. But I'm not trading these like... I'm not just going for $200 like I'm trading them. I'm trying to continue to build up a buffer here so that I'll be able to take multiple $3,000 payouts off of this. So even when I take 3K out, I'll still have a good $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in there. So up to $7,500 on that. That's another 11. That was like $1,100 or $1,200 day on this account. My Take Profit Trader made $1,000 on my daily Take Profit Trader account. That payout that I made last night still has not been approved. It's now been almost 24 hours. It did get moved to my wallet, but when I requested it from my wallet, it is still pending and has not been approved. Very disappointed in that. Very disappointed. This is now payout number 2 that has been delayed with Take Profit Trader. You should not, to me, right now, if you request a payout and it has been taken out of your balance and put into some kind of virtual wallet, you should not have to wait for another approval to take that money out. So Late profit trader. I love it, Dan. That's exactly the way I'm feeling right now. I'm not a fan. So I love the account. I love the fact that that it's billed as being able to take daily payouts on this account. And that's the plan. That's why I wanted to get this account. But if you take the money out of my trading account and then allow me to withdraw it, I should not have to wait 24 hours. Well, I had to wait 12 hours just to get it approved to move into my wallet. And then I had to wait. I've had to wait another 12 hours or more for it to just be able to go to my bank account. It should not take that long. It's 2026. It's a little archaic, a little slow. Maybe I'm just spoiled from all of the instant payouts that you can take now with My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Lucid, where if you request it, it's gone, and within minutes it's in your bank. Like, it shouldn't be that. Run them down on prop score. The prop score has nothing to do with how I feel about them. The prop score is a mathematical ranking. It has nothing to do with it's the simplicity with which it is to pass the evaluation. It's the drawdown per price. It's the price per time in market. It's the return on investment. All of those things go into prop score. It has nothing to do with how I feel about a particular firm. So they're not going to get run down. They have great accounts. But the actual process to get a payout has got to get updated. It's got to get updated. I need to leave a review. That's what I should do. I should leave a review on prop score to help other traders know they're great accounts. However, just know you're going to wait to get that payout. It's not a quick process at all. So what have I done? What have I done to counter this? Well, I just went and picked up two 50K My Funded Futures Rapid accounts that are on sale now for 25% off, unlimited uses. So it's actually a better price than Take Profit Trader. They have instant payouts. It's a daily payout, 2 days to pass, instant upgrade, day one payouts up to $10,000 per payout. That's what I did. I went to another firm that offers the same style of account and is running a good sale. And I'm going to try and get a couple of these. I think you can have 3 rapid funded accounts. So I'm going to try and pass at least one or two, maybe both of them. I'm going to try to pass both, but I'm going to try to pass at least one of these for sure. And see if I can clear the intraday buffer on there and get to get a couple of daily payout accounts rolling in. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. Tonight, I believe I'm going to be trading this evaluation. I was told that I haven't tried to take a position on it yet. This is an evaluation from Alpha Futures that got reset sometime last week, but every time I tried to enter a position, it would say order rejected, order rejected, order rejected. I've emailed them multiple times. I finally got a response today. I think it's fixed. I haven't tried to take a position yet at all. So I don't know if it's going to work, but my plan is to trade Alpha Futures eval and to trade My Funded Futures Rapids evals tonight here on the stream. I still have my 4 next-gen accounts. I'm going to wait on those next-gen accounts until they run an activation sale so that I can activate them for a lower price and then start trading those funded accounts. But I have 4 evals stacked up. I may buy another one tonight just to trade on stream. They are still running their 90% off resets. So you're basically guaranteed a funded account. You can buy a 25K for like $29 right now. If you blow it up, it's $5 to reset it. And then it can just, once you pass it, it can just sit there indefinitely. No penalty, no monthly billing. It'll just sit there until you're ready to activate it. So I'm just going to wait for an activation sale. You totally didn't also buy one tonight just to have something to trade in. They're fun to trade, man. I will say this. The next-gen accounts are super fun to trade because you know you're going to get a funded account out of it. and you know that it's just fun to throw on five E-minis and let it roll. It's definitely fun. Zill from Finley, you passed your next gen today. Nice. Good job. Good job. Let me know how you did in chat today, guys. Were you red? Were you green? Anybody pass any evals today? Anybody request any payouts tonight? Anybody blow up any accounts? Any fallen soldiers we need to salute here in just a little bit? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. And while you're doing that, let me get in here and say hello to some people. We got 400 people. Let's get up to 400 likes. We'll start the giveaway. The giveaway bus will leave the station when we hit 400 likes. Smash that like button. I am Trady, Careful X, Papa Les. Who else we got in here? Man, you guys were having a conversation with each other for a while before the show started. I got to scroll a long way. Chump Trader, 40 Ounce Gaming. Janice Mendiola, what's going on? Devil Jinx, Swoopty 188, Relax Vibes, The Elevated Life, Dave Mack, Luca 0801FX, JJ Redbird, Victor Wolf, Green Hunters, Icy Hawk, Moninaz, I guess Monaz, I don't know how you say that. Elevated, always said that one. Mattster, what's going on? Lintech, Casio DC, Dexter Goes Wild, Lucas Krug, what's up? Frank, Mark Frank in Tokyo, Water Monkey, Railroad Life, Cheryl 8888, Abbott 350, Spiv, what's going on? Kapil, Dan Emmons, making up dinner, throwing raw carrots in my face right before the show. I almost had to go to the bathroom and throw up before I went live. Foolish Behavior, Daytick, Comal Wasim, Brad Allen, Motherload, Kevin X, what's up? Jason Cruz, Sherry Osman, what's going on? Trader 007NQ, Matt Evans, Market Vision Trading, Coach Greg, what's going on? Jay Hiles. Who else we got in here? Who else? Echalakike, Toasty, Anthony Guerrera, Team Silence, Pikachu Trades, Eric Grijalva, I think that's how you say it. What's up, Kyle? Sababul, Andrew A, Amir Kabir, Swooner, what's up? Trader D's Top 5. Who else we got? Dino's Den, Vanessa B, all the ladies saying hey. Hey, ladies. Boriquan, M. Patrickall, Zill from Finland. Sankadu, J Ham, Christopher Huppman, Yo-Yo-Yo's, Lee FCX, WFO 5803, Akash Biswal, Spyro, Croatian Sensation, Tyler G, what's going on? Mathematica, Matt's Reef, More on Wall Street, Doodah, David Hill, Britt Martin, The Stomp, Drops Trades, Daily Mana, Synthesis, WFO 5803. You're at the beach this week, St. Augustine. That's a beautiful beach. May 1220. Let's go. Good job. Jay, Coach Greg, Vinicius Miguel, Sherman McLean, Nigerian Goat, Duff Main, Jax 904, MP Pretorius, Scott HB, Brett Allen. What else we got? E-Mini Man, Bearded Trader, Harjinder Rambamra, The Prophet Guru, Abbott, Swagger Pilot, Just for Fun, Gold Beach Rockin', David Madrid, Kurt King, Pradeep Mangalari, Kumar Nakam, Running on Empty, and that catches us up. What's going on, everybody? Let me scroll back up here. Oh, Small Green, nice. Used minis to pass the eval, let's go. You're still bald? What's up, Jay? Can't seem to pass an eval, cheek squeeze? Well, just hang out here, man. Maybe we can help you out. I need help, present. Cooking some carrots, too, in my beef and veggie soup. It should be illegal. It should be absolutely illegal to throw carrots into any dish where they get cooked and become soft and mushy. It's the most disgusting food additive thing you can put on any meal. It's absolutely disgusting. So gross. Passed over that carrot comment quick, Dan. I saw it. I saw the comment. I'm just trying to choose to ignore all the carrot comments. I love raw carrots. Like shredded carrots on a salad, fantastic. Even like little like circle carrot, diced up carrots, fantastic. Raw carrots with ranch, fantastic. As soon as you cook a carrot and it becomes soft and hot, I'm out. It's absolutely it's disgusting. It's so gross. So gross. All right. Market selling off here. Getting some dips. Maybe we'll get a dip to buy down here at HP. ES levels. Let me throw those up on the chart here real quick. We opened below HP and just sold off. We didn't even try to get up and touch it. We just opened and sold. Bouncing off of a yellow line here right now. We have dynamic overnight MHP down at 75.94.50. NQ, the closest next resistance from a rocket scooter perspective, our overnight weekly hedge pressure level at 589.50, which also lines up a little bit around that daily pivot level. DD band lower, dynamic MHP is underneath your DD band as well. We failed to take out yesterday's high. We tried to push up, failed to take it out. Still bullish on this market. You got a rocket pooter? You got a rocket pooter? You're Irish, you would love it? I'm not. I would not love it. I love stew, but I promise you, stew, if there's carrots in it, they just immediately get spooned out to the side. I'm not going to eat them. If they're on my plate, they just get scooted off to the edge of the plate where they're touching nothing. No other food gets touched by a raw carrot on my plate or in my bowl. It's not going to happen. I love sweet potatoes. I know. It sounds weird. I love sweet potatoes. I think sweet potatoes are fantastic. I can't do soft, mushy carrots. It's the it's a texture and it's a flavor. Texture and flavor. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. Man, I think I'm going to be able to take a little stab here. I think I'm going to take a little stab here. What is the red line Matt has marked up at 652? I don't know. Maybe it's a 50% retracement of this move up from the end of the day. That would be my guess. Since we didn't ever pull back into that 50% level here, that would be the 50% red line move. So I don't know. I didn't get to watch much of Matt's stream today. So we'll see. Brad is the first real carrot hate. I love carrots. Guys, I love carrots. Just not cooked carrots. Right? Like, they're two different things. It immediately becomes inedible. It's immediately inedible as soon as you cook it. So I'm loving this dip here. I feel like because we got news out from the Iran war, I feel like Trump is due to get on Truth Social at any minute now. And I'm going to take a stab at weekly hedge pressure. I'm going to start a position. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for just another little dippage down here. One more spike down closer to dynamic hedge pressure. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get a position right there. Order rejected. Freaking A, man. They still haven't fixed it, Alpha Futures. God, what is with the prop firms going on right now? This is so frustrating. All right, I'm going to go over to my Funded Futures Rapids, and I'm going to start a position there at 36.11. And then we'll see what happens. I'm going to start a position on my Funded Futures Rapid Evaluation right here. Upper DD band is 30, 991.75. Let's see. I would love to see this thing pull all the way back up to 664. Give me about a 50-point run here. I'll add to it on an overshoot. We get a little 20-point overshoot here. Man, what a sale. What a sale. All right, smash that like button, guys. Smash it. Let's get to 400 likes. We've got some incredible accounts to give away to you guys tonight. Some absolute bangers. You're within $100 of blowing your TPT account. Oh, no, man. I'm sorry about that. Dave Mack says took 3 payouts from Lucid today. That's freaking awesome. First time I ever took multiple payouts in the same day. If you're new or struggling, size down, take the boot camp, and you will be well on your way. Thank you, Rocket Scooter family. God is good. Dave, that is so amazing, dude. I'm so happy for you. Way to go, brother. GG's, Dave. 3 payouts on Lucid today. Let's go, dude. That's so sick. That's so sick. Dave trades 1 micro. That's why he was saying size down. Dave is the 1 micro king. All of his evals are passed. All of his funded accounts, 1 micro. And he's taken 3 payouts today. That's awesome. WFO, I'm in a long, and I got in, my entry is actually kind of crappy. It's at 611. I was trying to get a limit order down here on this account, but it's not set. They still haven't fixed my account. Freaking God, this is so annoying. Still haven't fixed my account. So I jumped over here real quick and got into a starter position here. I will give it. Let's see, where are we at? 589. I'll give it like 20 points. Maybe add to it. We'll see. See if hedge pressure can hold up. Man, this would be really sucky if 2 nights in a row our high volume pivots didn't give us a bounce. 2 nights in a row where high volume pivots didn't give us a bounce. Man, look at the selling here.
Order filled.
Now in it, my cost basis is at 87. Just below dynamic MHP. See if we can get any kind of pullback here, or if we're just going to lose our evaluation. What is the DD band in MES? Well, I'll give you the ES level. The ES level DD bands are 76.94 and a quarter. And the lower DD band is at 75.62 and a quarter. ES losing that yellow line is not a great bullish sign at all. Let's see if we can reclaim hedge pressure on NQ here. Let's see if we can reclaim hedge pressure on NQ. Give me like a 20-30 bounce here. 20 point, 30 point bounce. Give me back up to like 620. Took my first payout after 5 years from this tutelage day tick. Dude, that's incredible. When did you take your first payout? Today? Fallen soldiers all over the place. Fallen soldiers all over the place. I may be adding to that. Was the account giving you issues, the one that we swapped? No. The one that was swapped over to Trade-Evade, I lost it last week, fair and square. This one was reset a couple of weeks ago. I'm pretty sure this wasn't the one they moved. Like this one got reset a couple of weeks ago. and it still shows up in my dashboard, and it still shows up in Alpha Trader as being active and open. They reset it to the initial profits that it had, and then it's like set to liquidation mode or something. I don't know. It's like set to a weird liquidation mode. It won't let me put any orders in. So, and I've received no other. I got an email. First of all, since they opened Alpha Trader, you have not been able to trade the actual contract position size that they offer you for the account that you purchased. The account the 50K on the evaluation, you can trade up to 4 minis on the 50K, and then it scales once you're funded. That once you're over like $2,000, you can get 4 minis on the funded account as well. I have never been able to take more than two minis on any of the evals or any of the funded accounts. I think they did get that fixed today, luckily. So, but they said that they said they reset this one, or not reset it, or they said they addressed the issue and it should be able to accept orders, and it does not. So it's just a mess. It's just still part of the Alpha Trader buggy platform issue that hasn't been resolved at all. So, all right, give me like a little spike up to even back up to that daily pivot level would be great. A little nice little spike. Oil is flying tonight. We did hit the pivot. Bullseye, baby. All right, here we go. Get back up there. Give me that 30-minute candle's about to close. Give me just another 10, 15 points here. Get back up to the DDP level, and I'll close this out. Right there. $1,100. Let's go, baby. GG's. There's $1,100 on that eval. I don't have trading. I don't even have my trading view up right now. Where is Varus? Oh, we're at the lower band on Varus. Nice. Not the lower band. We're at the first band on Varus. That's really interesting. I didn't update any of my levels here on TradingView, so just ignore this is the previous day DD band, previous day hedge pressure. So just ignore those levels. I wasn't planning on using TradingView tonight because I was going to use Alpha Trader only tonight's stream because I'm not trading next gen at all. So there you go, $1,100 on the first eval locked in for the night. I'll take it. GG's, baby. Let's go. All right, it's time. We're at the bottom of the hour. Let's pause. And let's remember some fallen soldiers. There's some already tonight. There's some already tonight on that drop down. It'd be interesting to see if hedge pressure will hold up here. That was a nice bounce from hedge pressure. We got a 30-point bounce off of hedge pressure. It did overshoot pretty aggressively there, and it may still fail, but that initial bounce I got in right before, I added to it on the dip down here, got my cost basis right under hedge pressure, and on the reclaim took profit back up at the daily pivot level. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. All right, let's pause. Let's salute. We sent some little buddies out into the world today. We sent some accounts out into the world today. We loaded them up with contracts. We gave them our best pep talk we could. We said, get on out there, little fellas. Go do your job. We love you. We support you. You can do it. They never made it back. They never saw it coming either. They never saw it coming. And though they are gone, they are not forgotten. We salute.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, They did their job. They followed the plan.
Sim rounds.
They faced the volatility.
I forgot about
stood
sim
in
rounds.
the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher.
Sim accounts
The
get
pain
taken out with sim rounds.
Was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. We salute you in your sim rounds. And right on the heels of remembering those fallen soldiers, we also need to celebrate. There were some first-time payouts in chat tonight. First-time payouts in chat tonight. Let's give it up, guys. Come on, chat. Give it up. These guys have been working so hard, so long. They have been grinding. They have been failing accounts. They've been blowing funded accounts. And today, they finally took their first payout, baby. That's what it's all about. That's why we do what we do. First payouts in the chat. Let's go, GG's. Good job, Silverbag. Good job, Daytick. Congratulations, guys. That's freaking awesome.
Wait for the push, feel that swing when the market rush. One more candle, one more shot. Hold my nerve when the pressure hot. First payout, first payout. Look how the numbers dance now. First payout, first payout. I came in humble, now I stand loud. First payout. No more waiting on a maybe. I took my shot and it paid me.
5 years, baby. Let's go. Hard work paying off. Kyle, you were $20 from your daily loss limit on Little Next Gen. Got them to plus 500 on the day. Dude. Talk about patching them up in triage and sending them back out onto the battlefield. That's some good med work right there. Just resuscitate them. Shock them. Clear. Guys, are we going to run back up to the Globex Open here? What are we doing? We dropping lower? We going to take out all-time highs now that we hit hedge pressure? Did ES clear back above the yellow? Oh, ES broke back above the yellow line. This is good. This is good. Nice. Getting some buying pressure here. That DDP bouncing off. Man, slamming DDP and bouncing right back up. I love it. Congrats on the first payouts, guys. I know that's a huge accomplishment. I remember my first payout. Everybody remembers their first time, don't they? It's a life memory. Your first time. I remember it. Kyle, I know you remember it. It was like 2 weeks ago. It was 1800 for me. I remember it was 1889. Prop firms didn't even exist. What's up, Teach Like a DJ? What's going on, baby? Your first time was last week. Let's go, Nigerian Goat. That's fantastic. Good job, guys. We love playing that first payout song. We love it. We love celebrating with you. Those are huge milestones that you should be extremely proud of. The statistics say you are now in the top 5% of prop firm traders if you're able to get to a payout. So pat yourself on the back. Well done. Iran launched ballistic missiles at regional neighbors, but all missed their targets. U.S. forces launched strikes on Keshem Island after Iran's attempted attack. So they shot a bunch of missiles. They all missed, and we attacked Keshem Island in response. And now we're back to winning the war. So we should be able just to... I'm going to wait for this 5-minute candle to close and wait for a little, see if I can get just a little wick down and then try to buy this back up. Why does Alpha show such a volume spike? So it shows the current candle's volume. See over here where it says 1.2 million? Right here. It just shows you the current candle volume, and then that one will drop. And the next one will come up and start. I don't know why it does that. It's annoying. I agree. It's so annoying to watch the volume come in like that. Just because it feels like you're overemphasizing any one candle. So a lot of buyers stepping in. This is going to be the Iran war of 2026. This isn't. We just signed a new 60-day attempt to negotiate more terms. That puts us into what does that put us into? The end of July? And then they'll probably not get anything done by the end of July, and they'll sign another 60-day thing, which will get us into the end of September. I mean, this thing could easily drag on for another 6 months. All right, here we go. New 5-minute candle. Let me see if I can get a little wick down. Get some of that buying pressure. Take advantage of that. And see if we can ride this back up towards the Globex open. I would love to see it come back down to 630. See if I can get in around 630. Remember 2 weeks in when we said it was almost over? Hey guys, we're just going to flatten the curve. Everybody wear masks. We just need to flatten the curve for 2 weeks and then we're all going to be okay. What the hell are those levels? What do you mean, what are the levels? They're all the regular levels. We're never tired of winning. No, we never get tired of winning. Never, 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 never. Stock up on propane, gas, and food. You're about to see limits on buying at stores soon. Nah. Hey, just whatever you do, what did we learn from COVID? Go get toilet paper. Do y'all remember the toilet paper crisis? At least down here in Texas, there was a massive toilet paper crisis when when we got locked down. You could not find toilet paper anywhere. You could go get food. You could go get milk and eggs and bread, but you couldn't wipe your butt. It was the most annoying part of COVID. You couldn't get toilet paper. It was so dumb. Everybody was black market toilet paper. You could go get, you needed money. If you needed, you could go, exchange gasoline. People were offering toilet paper for Bitcoin. Sleepy Joe bidet. Yeah, dude, hey, bidets are underrated. Bidets are very underrated. The first bidet spray was magical. I got to admit, I held out on a bidet for a really, really long time. When I got in my motorcycle accident and I lost use of my arms, my wife was like, I ain't wiping your butt. No, she didn't say that. But we were like, you know what? We should probably make this easier for you. Bidets are great. A lot of Lambos at the toilet paper factory. Dude, yeah. Charmin. The Charmin people, they killed it during COVID. Angel Soft, triple ply. All right, what are we doing here? Are we up to 400 likes? Oh, how are we at 215 likes? Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. It's super easy for you. You don't have to do much work. You just have to move your mouse over there just a little bit. Smash that like button. Let's get to 400. We'll start the giveaway train. We got 8 more accounts to give away tonight, guys. Mullein leaves is what the natives wipe their butts. Mullein leaves? I don't even know what a mullein tree is to know what a mullein leaf is. You went to Japan in 2014 and they were on every toilet, and that is the first thing I bought when I returned. I'm telling you, man, don't knock the bidets, dude. They do their job. They do their job. Man, now don't you wish you would have held that HP bounce? What a freaking bounce off of HP and the DDP. Incredible. $100 away from your MFF Rapid. Let's go. Level it marked from the overnight hedge pressure right here. We got in at overnight hedge pressure and made $1,100 on that bounce. Closed it out. I was hoping we could get just some more wickage down into these areas before we just recovered completely, and we still might. ES recovered completely through the yellow line and is just ripping higher. Complete V-shaped recovery here. We lost the war, and then we won the war again, guys. This is what that looks like. We lost the war, and then we won the war. If you're ever wondering what that, just go to any chart since the beginning of April. Since the beginning of April, just go to any chart and look at this. This is where we lost the war, and this is where we won the war. And we did it about 500 times in the last 2 months. We have lost the war 500 times, and we've won the war 500 times. Still waiting on your live accounts. Eva Trades went live with TPT, by the way, guys. I think it takes them 4 or 5 days to get that set up, Eva. Do you personally track different setups, ratios, keep an eye on what currently works and not? I used to do that a lot, but now that I've switched to Rocket Scooter, I trade the high volume pivots. That's where the edge is. I take the trade every single time. If it's a bull zone bottom, I take it every time. Bear zone top, I take it every time. A hedge pressure or monthly hedge pressure or lower DD band every single time. So I don't have to think about the ratios. Typically, the weekly hedge pressure is probably the one that I would maybe consider using a smaller position size on than any of the others. The others all get the same position size. All right, this is what I was hoping for right here. Let's see if we can get a push back down into the 660 level. I'm going to set a limit order over here on my Tradevate on my Dom at 664. I'm going to buy 664.50. I got a limit order at 664.50 right there, which is right here on the chart. I'd love to see a little pullback there before we head back up to the Globex Open. There are no winners in war. You're right. We take war very seriously around here. We hate war. We want the war to end. But we do find ways to entertain ourselves about how much war moves these markets and how you instantly get bad news and then you instantly get good news right behind it, and the market is just zip, 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 zip. So, sounds like tonight that wasn't a lot of damage done. It was just a lot of kind of banging and clanging, sword saber rattling, you know. I have never tried FXify. I've heard of them, but I don't know anything else about them. Any updates on NinjaTrader and Rocket Scooter? Everything is getting tested. It's getting run through its paces to make sure everything is working and accurate. Hopefully this week that gets taken care of and it'll be live on NinjaTrader. War never changes. Best intro, man. Best intro. War never changes. Should we monitor Truth Social? Absolutely. Fallout is my top. It is my S tier video game of all time. Fallout. The whole Fallout series. Fallout 4 is probably my favorite. Fallout New Vegas is right behind it. Not a huge fan of Fallout 76. I know it's gotten better. I need to go try it again. I literally have had no time when I'm working 9 to 5 and then come in and stream. I have zero time to play any video games right now in my life. What's up, Rancid Capital? How you doing? Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get. We're still 105 likes short. Before we can do any giveaways, we got to get to 400 likes. We have 8 accounts to give away tonight. It's time to play with us. That's right. I'm here to play with you. Hey, I don't think you're listening. Shuri Official, I just said we have to get to 400 likes before we can do any giveaways. We're only at 295. So the answer is, therefore, logically, no, we have not given away any accounts. Are you listening to the stream right now? The music in Fallout is so good. The old 50s and 60s music is banger. I will soon have some time maybe to start gaming. We'll see. It's going to be weird being able to get up and actually walk down here to my office, turn my computer on, turn Matt's stream on, have my charts in front of me, and not have to leave and go anywhere else and just focus on trading. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. CCR fan? I'm trying to think of what is CCR. I'm not hip. I'm Gen X, baby. What's CCR? Oh, you talking about music? I thought we were talking about video games, and you pivoted to music. Creedence Clearwater, yeah, Creedence Clearwater. When we're talking about video games, and then you pivot and you just throw in a random music reference, I didn't know we switched to music. Of course, I love Creedence Clearwater. I know what CCR stands for, but in my brain, I'm not thinking music. I'm thinking we're talking about video games. And I'm trying to think, what's CCR video game? That doesn't sound I'm not familiar with that video game at all. I wasn't thinking music. Has Skittles inflation hurt your bottom line? I don't have enough Skittles in my life. I would love to ride that rainbow a little more often. Cyberpunk Clearwater. Have you heard Boards of Canada's new album? I've never heard of Boards of Canada. I don't know what that is. Creedence Clearwater Revival. Of course I know CCR. I was in the Fallout world. I was in video game world. So if you want to talk video games, what's the trade for today? I've got a limit order set at 3664 long to buy off of here. We already got in at Dynamic Hedge Pressure and made $1,100 on that account, on that eval, that My Fun and Futures Rapid. Back to the video games. Fallout is my top. Fallout by far is my top. I'm not really a first-person shooter kind of guy. I don't really not that I don't like Call of Duty and, those kind of games. I am much more of like the strategy games, the community building games, the resource gathering game type of stuff. Which is why, did I just freaking sniff that wick again? I had an order at 664 to freaking go long. Oh my gosh. I had an order at 664.50, and here we are, not even an hour into the show, and we're already sniffing wicks. So I have played Minecraft. I'm not a big Minecraft guy. It's okay. So I like games like, it's a great example. So I love the strategy games like Age of Empires, Civ 5. Civ 5, I have put thousands of hours into playing Civ 5. I love Civ 5. It's so good. I think they did a fantastic job with it. Civ 6 sucked. They never captured the glory of Civ 5. They butchered it too much going into Civ 6. I know that a lot of people love Civ 6. I don't. I'm a Civ 5 guy. StarCraft was okay. I like the name of the game is slipping my mind. It's the whiteout game. It's the Frozen world. God, what is the name of that game? Somebody knows what I'm talking about. Frostpunk. Thank you, Frostpunk. I love Frostpunk. Frostpunk is so hard. It is one of the hardest games I've ever played. Frostpunk is so. Frostpunk 2, I think, is better than Frostpunk. Frostpunk 2, I think, is better. But I like those kind of like, you got to like plan and you got to like build out a world and you got to plan a city and you got to put your people in there, give them jobs to do. They've got to go out, collect resources, send them out into the world. Go fight other people for their resources. I love those kind of games. That's my vibe. Red Dead Redemption, also a great game. Because you can go out, craft, collect resources, build things, sell things, and you can go kill things as well. You know, that's always cool. Red Dead 2, one of the best games I've ever played. Red Dead 2. I've heard about Crimson Desert. I don't know anything about Crimson Desert. I did play Uncharted. It was okay. It's not my favorite. It's all right. Ark. I love playing Ark. Ark is great. Haven't played Helldivers. Red Dead is where it's at. Where is Matt? Why? Matt is eating dinner. Why do you need Matt? You got Brad, baby. This is the night shift. We're over 600 likes. Are we really? Did we get to... We ain't over 600 likes. Why are you trying to lie? Now I'm just going to make it 600 since you said that. We were 25 away. I cannot believe I freaking sniffed that wick again. Oh my gosh. Missed the pullback. Now I got to come down here and delete that order. It's deleted. That pisses me off. Matt's probably playing Crimson Desert. That's exactly right. Why the change? Sasha Singh, have you never been on the night shift show before? Is this your first time watching, Sasha? I have been here every single night for the last 4.5 months. Where have you been? Leisure Suit Larry. Oh my gosh, dude. Throwback. Holy cow. Leisure Suit Larry. That is a throwback. You're up $150. Thank you, Shivax. At least I'm glad you got in on that. That just irritates the fire out of me when I have a limit order and it literally misses my entry by... I mean, it missed it by 2 points, but still, it's close enough that I got a good sniff of that wick. Good sniff. Supreme Commander, I've heard of it. I've never played it. Who's Matt? I don't even know who you're talking about. Are you talking about the guy that made it to the top 32 in the Tradeify Grand Cup and just kicking ass and taking names? You missed it with me? Oh, should have just marketed it in. I set a limit order. I'm very good at identifying where the market will not enter me in. What's up, Ciso DeCinzo? What's going on? Just got back-to-back. Hey, guys, I can take another payout, can I? Even though my withdrawal on Take Profit Trader hasn't been approved, can I request another payout off of this account, or do I have to wait for the dashboard to update and all that jazz? Because I can take out $1,000 on this tonight and still leave a $2,500 buffer in there. Or should I just take out like 600 again and just keep growing the account, keep growing that buffer? What do you think? What you think? I have to wait until the dashboard updates? Okay. You're putting your stop loss at your entry orders from now on? Not a bad idea. As many wicks as I sniff. Not a bad idea. If there is a pending withdrawal from account to wallet, you can't. So it's in my wallet, and I requested it from my wallet, and it hasn't been approved from my wallet. So when I go to, well, I just need to wait until it updates. Doesn't it update like at 8:30 or something like that? Keep growing the buffer. Any new orders? I don't have any orders in the market right now, guys. I'm just going to wait. Tokyo just came online. Was hoping maybe Tokyo would push us back down, give us one more retest before we head back up to the Globex Open. Never played XCOM. Take the G Note. I think I might take the G Note. I'm gonna take something. The point for me for having a daily payout account is to take a daily payout. That's the whole benefit. As long as you've got a healthy buffer in there, take the payout. Why not? How does it feel when you had the first payout? It feels amazing, man. My first payout was with a Forex firm called FTMO. They're still around. FTMO was the first time I ever got a payout, and I traded with them, and they were expensive accounts too, like hundreds of dollars. Hundreds, like I think it was like $300 or something like that. They were expensive accounts. They were not cheap. And it probably took me 12 or 15. And they have a 2-step evaluation in Forex. So that's where I started, by the way. When you trade Forex accounts on prop firms, It's at least I don't know if it is back when I was doing it in like 2018, 2019, it was a 2-step account, which means you had to make 8%, 10% was your profit target, but you had a 8% static drawdown. So they gave you bigger drawdowns. So the step 1 was make 10% profit. Step 2 was they reset your account and you had to make 5% profit. Then you went funded, and then you could take payouts off of that funded account. So you had to pass 2 tests to get funded on the Forex firms. I don't know if they still do it like that, but most of them, some of them eventually dropped it to like 8% and 4%, trying to get market share. Like your first profit was 8%, and then your second step was like 4%. I don't know if they still do all that stuff. I haven't really kept up with it now that I've switched over to futures. The nice thing about Forex is that they do give you, some of those firms give you like 10% drawdown. And it's static. It doesn't move. It's not end of day. It doesn't trail. It's just a static drawdown. It stays there. So even if you make like 3% and then you go back under your initial balance, you still haven't lost the account. But they are pricey. They are pricey. But I remember getting my first payout from FTMO, and it took me months and months of failing evals, saving up money, buying new evals to get a payout, and it was a glorious feeling. Shuri Official on top of the giveaways tonight. Shuri Official, thank you so much for being the giveaway police. What would we do without you? My Lord, buddy, you're about to get put in timeout for spamming, and you're not going to get a giveaway. What the hell? See? I warned you, bro. What the hell? Do you think I don't look down and check to see where the likes are? You don't think I want to give you? Is the only reason you're here is to get giveaways and just hound me until I give you a giveaway? What in the world is wrong with you? Settle down, bro. We're going to do the giveaways. My God. RS Camillo says you're $400 away to pass my 6th funded account thanks to Rocket Scooter. Let's go. That's so good. I'm so happy for you. People are dumb. I didn't say that. I'm just reading somebody's quote that said people are dumb. If you type it, I'm going to read it. I know you guys love giveaways. And I know that's why a lot of you just show up. I get it. We give away a lot of accounts. Future Fumbler, you passed 3 next-gen accounts yesterday. Awesome, dude. I might go pick another one up. And why not? Because I can just stack funded accounts in there, and they just sit there until I activate them. I mean, why? Okay, if you want to tell me one time, like if you want to tell me, hey, one time, hey, we got 400. Cool. But if you spam chat and you take up my entire chat window with just your messages, I don't have patience for that. You're only here to copy trade? Fraser, I'm waiting for the activation cell. They're definitely going to do another activation cell soon. I don't know when. I don't have any inside information. I'm just going to stack up those funded accounts at $30 a piece. And when they run the activation cell, I'm going to do it. You ate a whole block of cheese before this year? Now you're just trolling me. Now you're just trolling. Chicken and the fish. Oh my gosh. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. All right. We're taking a payout tonight. For in honor of everybody who got their first payout today, that's the keyword. Type it in. First payout. That's your keyword. While you're typing it in, let me go see what the account is we're giving away tonight. What's our first account we're giving away? First payout is the keyword. Type it in. Let's go. Giveaway tonight. We're going to start off. We're going to start off with an Alpha Futures 25K zero account. Alpha Futures 25K zero account. Let's go find out about these guys. I don't know if you guys have noticed recently when you go to Prop Score, have you seen the updated top 10 on Prop Score? My Funded Futures still GOAT, 25K Rapid 10.0. Take Profit Trader 25K 9.9. These are basically the same accounts. My Funded Futures is 20% off, so it's only $87, and you can pass in 2 days. It's goated. Blue Sky, number 3. Trade Day jumps to number 4. Holy freaking cow. Trade Day, number 4 in the Prop Score rankings with an 8.9 quick pay 50K account. $88, 50% off right now. Banger. Funded Seat at number 5. Lucid at number 6. Top Step at number 7. 4 traders. I've never even heard of these guys. 4 traders. Fast Pro 50K end of the day drawdown. At number 8, Funded Futures Family at number 9. Funded Next at number 10. Look who dropped out of the top 10. Look who dropped out of the top 10. Tradeify has dropped out of the top 10 on the Prop Score. That's crazy. Top 1 Futures, Smapex, Alpha Futures, Blueberry. I'm really excited about Blueberry. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Blueberry, but they've got some really good accounts. They're going to be making a splash here, I think, pretty soon into the futures market here in the States. I think we're gonna hear more about Blueberry here pretty soon. Phidias, Trade Funder, and so on. But Tradeify out of the top 10. Big moves there. Big moves. Trade Day coming in huge at number 4. Huge. No buffer. So when you pass, this is kind of their version of the top Take Profit Trader and the My Funded Futures Rapid account. It's 50K. It's end of the day drawdown when you're in the evaluation. But when you get funded, it moves to intraday trailing drawdown, just like the Rapid and the Take Profit Trader. You can take daily payouts, but there's no buffer. On the Rapid and the Take Profit Trader, you have to clear the buffer before you're eligible for a payout. But with Trade Day on the Quick Pay account, there's no buffer. And you can make up to $10,000 on your day 1 payout. They balance that no buffer by their payout split is 68% or up to 68%. I think it's like 50% for the first, 3,000 or 4,000, and then it bumps up to like 70 or 80% on everything over that. So interesting. I want to go check out these Trade Day accounts. I think I might try to pick up a couple and just give it a shot and see. It's another daily payout option. We'll see how it goes. But I was really interested. What we're looking for is Alpha Futures 25K zero plan. Here we go. This is what we're giving away right now. It ranks 8.1. No consistency. You can pass in 1 day. So Alpha Futures 0, you can pass in 1 day. $500 daily loss limit, $1,000 max loss, $1,500 profit target. When you're funded, you have 40% consistency. But you can take a $1,000 payout every 5 days. So the 40% consistency really doesn't matter a whole lot when you have 5 days to trade. You get a 90% profit split. Really cool accounts. They rake 8.1, which is really good. We're giving those away. All right, let me get my wheel of names up here. Let me grab all the users. Oh, I'll give it 10 more seconds. We're about to do another grab here. One more grab. One more grab. There we go. All right. Not very many entries on this. There we go. All right, Alpha Futures, 25K, 0 account. You can stop typing, guys. All the names are on the wheel. There's no more names getting on the wheel for this giveaway. The bot is turned off. The code word is turned off. You're just burning calories. You guys are great typers, by the way. Great typers. This is the best typing community I've ever seen. All right, shuffling it up. Here we go. Spin the wheel. Good luck. Rocket Squirrel. Rocket Squirrel, congratulations. Type something in chat. Hey, beep, boop, beep, boop. I'm not a bot. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Let me get you into the winner's circle. We're giving away Alpha Futures 25K 0. So long to type. Rocket Squirrel. Rocket Squirrel. All right, you know what to do to claim your prize. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. And there's instructions there on how to claim your prize. Anyone experiencing issues with Apex, Dip Sniper, I think literally every trader that has ever tried Apex has had issues with Apex. Can you be more specific? You can only win once per week on my show, by the way. You can win, if you win an account, you can only win one account per week. That does not include boot camps. You can win multiple boot camps. But accounts, one win per week on my show. I get to make the route. I make the rules on my show. One win per week. Everyone, Coach Greg, everyone. I mean, I think everyone has had some problems at some point with Apex. You were planning on winning 3 times this week? Just on the night shift alone? That would be impressive. Yeah, you can win unlimited boot camps. You can enter the boot camp drawing now. Now that most people have won a boot camp on my show, I have opened the boot camp back up to any winners now. Anybody, if you've taken the boot camp, it'll just give you a free month access where you don't have to pay the $20 to get access to it. Who doesn't have a problem with it? Yeah, that's the better question. You'd probably you'd find you would find an answer quicker of who hasn't had the issue. Your issue with Apex is that you don't want to have anything to do with them. You and a lot of other people too. M. Will says like you just gotta. So Apex accounts are very cheap to lose. They're the most subjective prop firm in their practices with limiting payouts, denying payouts, delaying payouts, telling people that they're going to move them to a live account and not give them a payout, but then never give them a live account. So they can be very invasive. If you have never gotten a payout with them, you very well might likely get asked to do a live video interview of you trading and explaining your like it's very invasive. They are canceling affiliates left and right now, by the way, as well. SpaceX, by the way, guys, if anybody's been waiting for the SpaceX IPO, SpaceX is going to sell 555.6 million shares in their IPO. They're aiming for a $135 per share in the public offering. SpaceX is the future, man. Are longs still in play? Yes, I think so. I think longs are still in place. You're skipping the IPO, but going to grab a chunk when it levels out. There's going to be a mad rush for the SpaceX IPO, man. TBT payout has been updated. Let me see. Dashboard is updated. Let me go look. I need to submit my next payout request. Trying to do a payout every night this week. All right. Let me go to my account first. Okay, so it does say so my account has updated. I can take another withdrawal up to $1,500. The wallet from where my previous withdrawal is still yellow, and it says reserved, locked for pending payout request. So my current payout request from last night has still not been released, but I can take another payout from the account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and withdraw. Let's just take, you know what? I'm going to take 1,000. I'm going to take 1,000. Bam. Done, son. That leaves me with a $2,500 buffer. Very happy about that. Payouts, 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 baby. Can't wait for your new luxury space cruise to Saturn. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. I've told my family, if I didn't have my people, like if I was just me and I didn't have people in my life that I loved and really cared about, I would sign up for the Mars settlement. 100%. I think that would be badass. Surely they're going to need some older, smart men. Number one, just to see how older people do in that kind of environment. I don't mind being the old guinea pig. I would totally 100% sign up for the one-way trip to build a city on Mars. No good food. I bet there's no freaking cooked carrots there. I wouldn't have to worry about that. Guinea pig to test the air? No. Can we bunk together? You would 100% take that trip? I know it's a one-way trip. And if I did not have relationships, deep life, loving relationships here, I would 100% sign up. I want to see my grandkids grow up. I've got 2 grandkids, hopefully more on the way sometime soon. And so I don't want to leave because of that. But if they weren't here, my name would be at the top of the list. My name would be at the top of the list. Some of you are like, I got kids, and I still want to go to the top of the list. You're like, I'm a parent. Get me the hell out of there. Oh, yeah. They're not going to give me tubed carrot paste. I'm out on Mars if it's tubed carrot. Would I stream from Mars? Absolutely, I would stream from Mars. Do you know how popular and famous Mars streamers would be? Hell yeah, I would stream from Mars. There's no Skittles on Mars. I would sneak some Skittles on Mars. You have seen my ability to hide Skittles. You know this. Skittles would get to Mars. Brad makes it all the way to Mars, only to find out the only food is Gerber's baby food mush carrots. That sounds like absolute hell. That literally sounds like absolute hell. Guys, let's get to 600 likes and we'll do our next giveaway. We need 101 of you to smash that like button. We've got 900 people watching the show. We need 100 of you to smash that like button. And we'll do our next giveaway. We're going to do some next-gen accounts. I feel like I kind of want to go pick up another next-gen account just to trade. They're so fun to pass. Let's go get one. Let's go get a next-gen. Code score, 80% off of their evals. Means I can get this for $29. And I know it's basically a guaranteed pass because they have 90% off resets, which means if I blow it up, it costs me $5 to reset. Let's grab another eval, another next gen. What happened? Why can't I select? There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Purchase evaluation. Let me get my trading view up. I'm going to have to log into my AMP over here off screen. I said AMP. What happened? Why did that not load? Let me quit trading view. Thank you for your purchase. Return to the dashboard. And all right, we got an active account here. Now I just need to go get my CQG credentials. Get over here. Let me find my CQG credentials. I'm still watching the charts. I am looking for a long. I've got one eye. While I'm doing this, I'm watching the charts here. Where's trading view? Trading view. Where did it go? There we go. And, oh, sweet. It's already up. It's already logged in. All right. So next gen 25K account right here. They have a 90. If you use code SCORE, you can get 80% off any of their evals, and they're running a 90% eval reset sale right now, which means you can if you buy a 25K account and you blow it up, you can reset it for $5. It's basically guaranteeing you that you're going to pass this account. I already have 4 that I've passed, and they're just sitting in my dashboard. Once you pass your evaluation, you can have as many past evaluations sitting in your dashboard as you want. You can have up to 3 funded accounts. I am waiting until they run an activation sale, and then I will line up 3 funded accounts and trade those 3 funded accounts. But I'm just going to show you guys. It's fun to trade these evals because you can literally throw 5. The cool thing about the 25K accounts, you get $1,750 drawdown. It's the biggest drawdown on a 25K account that I've ever seen. $1,750, and you only have to make $1,250 to pass the account. So it's less than a 1-to-1, which is goated God level tier drawdown per price. drawdown per profit. Cheryl will alert me when we get to 600. I'm sure they will. They got timed out. I don't know how long they got timed out for, but as soon as we get to 600 likes, I'm sure they're going to let me know if they're still here. I'm sure everyone in chat will let. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, YouTube glitched out on me for a second. Next gen, NDICN1, what prop firm? We're talking about next gen pro trader funding. It's the account that I have on TradingView right now. Don't worry about the levels that I have. These levels are not right. I need to move them. I didn't update my TradingView levels tonight. But their DD band's way up there. I don't even know what this line is. What is this line? Oh, the Globex open. Let me move that over. Somewhere around there. I don't know where dynamic hedge pressure is. I'm just going to drag it down here for now. It doesn't really matter at the moment. All right, there we go. We'll get rid of that. All right. Let me look and see what's going on here. All right, so these next-gen Pro Trader funding accounts, with code SCORE, you get 80% off their evals. So the 25K account, it works on any of their evals. I bought the 25K. You can get it for $29. And then you can just throw 5 E-minis on it. They give you 5 E-minis on a 25K account. And you can literally just click the buy button, set a profit target around $1,300 or whatever. It will close out before you get there. It's supposed to auto close at $1,250. So we'll see if it does or not. And if it blows up, literally I'll just reset it for $5 and do it again. Next gen, yeah. Genestech for the bootcamp giveaway. Yeah, so you have to put your payment info in because it's a monthly subscription. The code that you're going to get gives you your first month free. So you have to enter your payment information, put in the code. It makes it $0 for your first month. You can cancel at any time. After you get into the boot camp, you can cancel it. And I believe your subscription is good through the end of that month. So there's no activation sale right now on Next Gen Pro Trader funding. So I'm just stacking up evals. That's all I'm doing. I'm stacking evals. And then when they run an activation sale, then I'll load up 3 fundeds of the ones that I have in my dashboard and get it. Yeah, giveaway ghost. That's why I'm not activating any of them. I'm going to wait until they run activation sales all the time where you can get 40 and 50% off of your activation. Jay Woods, any update on NinjaTrader? Just we're running everything through the gauntlet, just making sure Matt's just testing every little feature and making sure it's right and accurate. Hopefully sometime this week that will get done and NinjaTrader should be live. Yeah, we have DD bands on the DD bands for NQ. There you go. You can look at that. They're on my Alpha Trader. I didn't update them on TradingView because I was just planning on using Alpha Trader platform tonight. But since I picked up another Next Gen account, I have to trade that on TradingView. So how do you get the code, Genestech? Did you win a boot camp? on my show or someone else's show,
Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross.
okay, cool. Yeah, so go to the Prop Score Discord, Genestech. Prop Score Discord. There's a link in the description of this video. It's free to join, but that's where you will claim your win. In fact, there's a channel. It's called Claim Your Win. So Prop Score Discord, go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there's instructions there on how to claim your boot camp, okay? For ES, sure. There's your ES levels right there. Is there a max daily to activate a next gen account? A zero tilt trade. Is there a max? I don't understand that question. I'm sorry. I'm a little confused about that. Is there a max delay to activate a next gen account? Do you mean it? Do you have to activate it within a certain amount of time? The answer is no. There is no time limit to activate. They can sit in your dashboard indefinitely. And you can have 100 past evals sitting there indefinitely. Once you pass, there's no monthly rebill, and you do not have to activate. They can just sit there. You can activate as soon as you pass. I am going to wait for an activation sale before I do any of those. All right, let's go back and see what my my eval's doing here. How do I get? Where's my trading view? Hey, let's go. Let's see if we can pass this. Add another eval to my little harem of next gen 25Ks. The reset sale is score 90. Score 90. Is the code to reset to get your 90% off. Score 90. Alpha Trader platform is a piece of crap. I held that opinion pretty much for the last 2 weeks. It has improved slightly. It's gone from piece of crap to this just kind of sucks. Oh, you want me to take the limit order off and just let it pass? Okay. So it has auto pass as well. So NextGen has an auto pass feature when you're trading their evaluations. When you hit the profit target, it should auto close. So how does one get access to the indicator you're using? You need to go to, if you go into the description of this video, you can find a link to the Rocket Scooter platform where you can purchase that. You got a next gen payout on Monday? Let's go. Good job. I've never tried deep charts. No. Never tried deep charts. Does Score 90 work for other eval resets? On Next Gen, Drew Butler, yes. Score 90 will reset any evaluation with Next Gen until close of day Wednesday. So the close of the New York session on Wednesday, the reset goes away. Okay? So you got to use the reset before the New York session closes on Wednesday. Yeah, Score 90. If you blow up your eval, use Score 90. It will reset it for 90% off. The code to get the evaluation is just SCORE. S-C-O-R-E. Code SCORE. That gets you your 80% off to buy the eval. And then if you blow it up and need to reset it, use Score 90. What's up, Charles Craig? How you doing, man? Like if this account hits 1750 and blows up, I'll reset it for $5 and do it again. I don't mind doing a couple blow-ups. They're pretty easy to pass, especially when you throw 5 minis on. You only need to get like 12 points on NQ with 5 minis or something like that. The risk interval on NQ, it's 249.75. No, 248.75. Is it? What is it? The risk interval is 248.75 on NQ. 66 for ES. Come on, let's get a little pumpage. Give me like 12 points right here. Let's knock this out. This is next gen I'm trading right now. Yeah. I'm gonna try to pass a 25K here. See, it should auto close when I get to my profit target. It should auto close. We'll see. 1250 is what I need to pass. TradingView is the platform they use. They give you AMP CQG credentials, and you log in to TradingView with your AMP CQG credentials, which they will give you. And then you just trade on TradingView itself. Done. Pass the eval. Let's go. Darb, you say 248? Yeah, 248.75. 248.75. There's no daily loss limit on the eval side. No. On the funded side, they have a daily loss limit once you're funded. Yeah, this is next gen. You just got one? Cool. Hope you like it, man. Get in there and get you a funded account. I mean, you can get a 25K for $30. If you blow it up, spend $5 on the reset, do it again, and then just wait for an activation sale. It'll just sit there. It's not going to go anywhere. They don't penalize you for not activating. It can sit there forever. You need financial advice? Well, I am not the guy for you. Do they pay? Yeah. I took a payout with them already on the 25K funded account that I had with them before. I took a payout, $750. It's 100% profit split on the next gen accounts. 100% profit split. Uncapped payouts. They have no live programs, so you can just take uncapped payouts as long as you keep hitting their profit target. You have to trade for 7 days on the funded side. But yeah, they pay out fast. I think I got my payout in 10 minutes after I requested it. They pay out through PayPal or Rise, I believe. I think they have Rise or PayPal, so you can do either one. Come on, auto close. Don't let me just sniff this wick again. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see that auto close feature. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'm going to be so disappointed if it doesn't auto close. Sniffing wicks, baby. Sniffing wicks. Only bros auto close. Yeah. I just want to kind of see how fast the ping is to close it out when it hits 1250. Like if it hits 1250 and just flashes and then pulls back in, then I want to see how fast it picks up the 1250. Daily mana, to request a payout on a 25K TPT Pro, you have to clear your drawdown buffer. So whatever your drawdown is on the 25K, I don't know what it is, $1,500 or something. You have to clear that drawdown in profit, and then everything over that you can take a payout on. You can take a payout into your drawdown amount, but the profit split is really bad, and I think they actually close the account if you try to do that altogether.
Yeah.
Kyle says if it doesn't auto close and it blows the account, you'll pay my $5 reset. Thanks, bro. Hey, Lucas. Man, always glad to have you, buddy. You can go tuck yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow night, all right? Have a good one, buddy. What happens if a funded account is blown? There is a reset. I think Next Gen lets you reset funded accounts. It's pretty expensive. It's cheaper just to do the evals and get back to funded. And TPT, there's several accounts that let you reset fundeds if you blow them up. TPT lets you reset. I think, does Tradeify let you reset a funded account? I can't remember. Come on, man. Give me one more push. What are you doing? Advice on approach for trailing drawdown. So I have tried both the brute force method and I have tried the kind of base hit method. The base hit method has been the one that has had the most success on the intraday trailing drawdowns, where I basically try to make like $400 to $500 per trade and close it out at the high water mark. And just wait for another good setup, 400 or 500, another good setup, 400 or 500, until I clear the buffer. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Come on. 15-minute candle's about to close here, and hopefully we'll get one push on the new 15-minute candle. Oh, it didn't close, Kyle. It didn't close. You saw that. It went up to 1,300 and didn't close. 1,340, still didn't close. There it is. All right. All right. It auto-closed. I passed another account live on the stream. Just that easy, guys. It's just that easy. You just passed two. Nice. Rigged. 25K. There's 1350 tonight, along with my 1125 over there. Not a bad night on the night shift, if I do say so myself. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go back to my Alpha Trader account here. Chicken in the fish. Guys, we need like 30 more likes. Smash that like button. We need 30 more likes, and we'll do our next giveaway. We're going to give away 2 next-gen accounts, but we got to get to 600, all right? I'm going to give you guys 2 25K next-gen accounts. Kyle, are these 2 next-gen accounts that I'm giving away activation-free like they were last night? You can have, Mr. Gibbs, you can have 10 active accounts. And active means a funded account or an active eval that you're trying to pass. You can have unlimited past evals sitting in your dashboard. All right, so Kyle says all giveaway next-gen accounts from here until the end of time have no activation fee. So if you win a next-gen 25K account, there is no activation fee. If you pass it, you immediately go to funded with no activation. So we're giving away 2 of those right now that you guys can go in tonight and YOLO. And if you blow it up, spend $5, reset it, and do it again. Let's go, baby. 2 more likes, and we're on our way. 2 more likes, and we're on our way. Long-time watcher, first-time typer. How do I get on the wheel? Steven Rogers, I'm going to give you a keyword, and you'll just type it into the chat here in just a minute. It only applies, the no activation only applies to the giveaways, all right? It does not apply to an account you go purchase. If you win the account, there's no activation fee, okay? Let's be clear. If you blow up the next-gen giveaway account and you have to reset it, yes, I believe the activation, there still should be no activation fee, I believe. Kyle, can you confirm if they blow up and use the score 90 to reset, will there still be no activation? Correct. No activation means no activation, even if you reset it. Let's go, 623. Give me a keyword suggestion, chat. I'll know it when I see it. Let's throw some, give me some good meta night shift chat keywords. What are we doing? Oh, auto close, baby. It's like right off the rip. I saw it right off the rip. Auto close. Let's do it. All one word. Auto close. Type it in. Oh, toilet paper would be good too. That was really good. No profit. Auto close. Maybe toilet paper will be the next one. Toilet paper was meta. That was a great meta keyword. Great choice. We may use that one next. Man, I'm hungry. I need to. Where's my wife?
Every move's a pulse, breaking the chains. Steady on the path, I trust the flow. One step closer where dreams overflow. One payout shivers, one day's a war. A steady beat rises from the floor. Soul on fire, I feel the surge grow. Step by step where the wild winds blow. One step at a time, my heart's aflame.
Guys, welcome to the show. If you're just joining in, we got almost 1,000 people watching the show again tonight. Thank you so much for being here. We're giving away 2 next-gen 25K Pro Trader evaluations on the stream right now. The keyword, if you would like to enter the giveaway, the keyword is auto close. That is one of the features they have on their evaluations. You don't have to set a profit target. It will auto close when it reaches profit target for you. Type in that keyword. It will enter you into the giveaway. 1 entry per person. You can type it as many times as you want. You only get 1 entry per person. And if you win an account on the night shift, you only can win once per week on the night shift. So just to give other people, other viewers a chance. You can win 1 account per week on the night shift on my show. Bam, bam, bam. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Thank you so much for being here. We still have, after we give these 2 accounts away, we still have a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account to give away. We still have 3 Lucid Pro 50K accounts to give away tonight. So if you don't win one of these next-gen accounts, don't go anywhere because we still have some absolute goated accounts to throw out to you guys tonight. And for those of you who are new to the show, by the way, my name is Brad. I am the host of the night shift. I have been on this show now since the middle of February. And I'm super excited because I have been offered a full-time position through Rocket Scooter. Matt has offered me a full-time position that will allow me to chase my dream of being a full-time day trader and just focus on streaming and trading. And I'm so pumped about that. Like, I cannot freaking believe it's happening. And hopefully, sometime around the middle of this month, I should be able to start streaming the Globex Open. And instead of streaming 4 hours a night with you guys, I'll start streaming 5 hours a night with you guys. So that's going to be really cool. So we're going from 7 to 11. Now we're going to, so I've got to transition out of my full-time job. You know, I've got to work with them on that. But sometime around the middle of the month, we'll be knocking on the door of that Globex Open. Does your work know you're leaving? They don't know yet. Very soon. Only 5 hours? Soft hands. You know, man. How does someone apply to stream for the London session? Grant, just stay tuned. Matt will give you all the details on his show. And we'll probably post it in Discord as well. What do I see on NQ? We're just grinding higher. Iran won the war, and then we won the war, and now we're just kind of grinding underneath the Globex Open. I do think that the previous day high gets taken out. I don't know if we do it tonight, but yeah, I think we're very bullish. We closed extremely bullish today. Not a lot of selling into the close at all. We based higher. And other than that war news coming out, there was really no reason to get a big sell-off right there. But hedge pressure saved us. Yellow line, hedge pressure saved us. Gave us a V recovery, and now we're just grinding higher still. So I would still be looking for opportunities to get long up to the Globex Open and all-time highs from here. They're going to be screwed when I leave. Who? Oh, my job? No, they won't be. They won't be screwed. I'm not going to do that to them. It'll be a smooth transition. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so hungry. I love you. Thank you for bringing that to me. Dinner. No cooked carrots for this guy. No, Matt won today. What are you talking about? Matt won. Matt made it into the next round. He's in the top 32. Which next gen? I mean, just whatever you want to pay for, really. It's your budget, you know. That door needs some oil. I know. I gotta bring some WD-40 down here, and I've got to bring a vacuum cleaner down here because the floor is absolutely disgusting. So tonight we have protein pasta with I mean, it's just basically spaghetti, but with roti. I don't know what are the spiral noodles called. So, but it's protein pasta with Parmesan cheese, you know, ground beef, all that. Is it rigatoni? Rotini? Is it rotini or rigatoni? Rotini? I see so many different words. I see more rotinis. Spirally noodles, that's what I call them. All right, so we got rotini, protein pasta. I think it's made from chickpeas or something. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Best part about it, not one cooked carrot. Rigatoni is tubes. There's so many names for pasta, I can't keep up. I'll have to ask Neon. Neon, if you're watching, I need your official judgment on is it rigatoni or is it rotini? It's delicious, whatever you call it. Yeah, I think penne pasta is like the little tubes, right? All right, guys, you can stop typing. Let's spin the wheel 2 times. Keyword is turned off. Keyword is turned off. Bot is turned off. You can stop typing. All right, we're going to spin the wheel 2 times for 2 next-gen 25K accounts. Here we go. Winner number 1. You're correct. Cool. Running on empty. Congratulations. You just won yourself a next-gen 25K account. No activation. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. If someone offers you free, straight 100K funded account, but you need to finish the 750 grams of carrot puree, would you take it? Everybody has a price. Let's go. I see you, buddy. Everybody has a price. My wife and I have a game when we're out in public or we're somewhere and we see something disgusting. We just look at each other and say, how much? And we know exactly what we're talking about. How much to eat or drink whatever the disgusting thing is that we saw. Because everybody has a number. Everybody has a number. I've got a number to eat soft cooked carrots. I've got a number. I do. It's a high number, but I've got a number. All right, here we go. The next gen reset code is SCORE90. Warren in Thailand. All right, next winner. NG Gaming 65D 5G. I don't know, is that what? How would you say this? Sad dog? I don't know how I would. What word is this? Tell us the number so we can start to collect it. $1 million. There you go. You got it, baby. All right. Let me get you into the winner's circle. This is next gen 25K. I don't think I put the account on that last one, Kyle. I'm sorry. I don't think I typed in next gen on that last one, but I think you got it. I think you guys will know what's going on there. So my apologies. All right. If you didn't win that account, don't worry, guys. We still have some really great accounts. We've got a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid to give away, and we have 3 Lucid 50K Pros still to come. Oh, man, that's so good. Oh! We also have a Tradeify 50K account to give away tonight. I know. Kyle, I just said I forgot to type. I forgot to type next gen into the first winner's name. I got in a hurry. My bad. The only normal food you don't eat is liver. I would not consider liver to be normal food. Maybe that's just me. I would not say any liver is definitely not on the normal food list for me. All right, 9 o'clock hour rolling over, getting a little pushed down here. Let's see where ES is. We're still far away from that yellow line. Liver's full of protein. I know liver's probably very healthy, but it's not normal. It's not a normal, like, who just eats liver as a normal part of their diet? I don't think that's a thing. I know it's super healthy for you, but I just don't think there's that many people regularly consuming liver. Liver King? I don't even know that I don't know that I've ever even eaten liver. Liver and onions with gravy and mashed potatoes? You eat raw liver every morning? No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't eat raw liver every morning. You ate a whole pack? How do they sell liver? Is it like bologna? I thought it was like they slice it into like bologna? What the hell? cooked liver with 4 raw eggs every morning. You're in San Antonio? I love San Antonio, man. I spent a lot of summers up on Canyon Lake when my parents lived over there. It's like a steak. I thought it was like a steak. Yeah, right. I thought it came in like a little, like a package, like a sirloin or something. Okay, first of all, I'm shocked at how many people in chat eat liver all the time. First of all, that's amazing to me that there's so many of you that regularly eat liver. Maybe I've just passed it by when I go to the supermarket all the time, that I don't even remember seeing liver available to buy. Explains a lot. I don't think I've ever taken a bite of it. I don't remember in my lifetime ever having eaten liver. I'm going to take a little stab long here on this pullback here at the open of this 9 o'clock hour. Target the Globex open. This is just me buying the dips. I'll eat an elk liver cooked over an open fire, but that's just before I start hauling it off the mountain. You can see my entry above me on my head. You can see exactly where I got in. My target will be the Globex Open, or bare minimum a new higher high around 727, but I think there's no reason why we shouldn't retest that Globex Open there on NQ. So just looking to buy the dips. That's all I'm doing.
Flash in the dark, yeah, it rewrites the scene, splitting up the shadows with the silver blue.
All right, we'll do our next giveaway in about 15 minutes, guys. We'll do our Tradeify 50K Select. We'll do that first. Tradeify in about 15 minutes. At the bottom of the hour, we'll start our Lucid giveaways. We got about an hour and a half left in the show. I'm going to finish my dinner here real quick. It's so good.
The blessings come down. Testify, Scooter. I was stumbling through the market, feeling broken and blind. Every candle looked crooked. Fear was ruling my mind. Then Scooter whispered to me, let me show you the way. Watch that bulls on rising. Watch the DD band sway.
Delicious.
When the signal starts singing,
Great job, Lady Darb.
and the lights stay true.
Thank you for that.
Just trust that Scooter power. It'll carry you through. Praise God. Blessings come down. Hallelujah.
Dinner is done. A 5-minute duck race. Drew Bledsoe, I had, well, there's some debate about what I had, but I believe I had Rotini, protein pasta with ground beef and Parmesan cheese. When to enter longs, I mean, you got to decide YTB when you're entering longs. I'm already in a long on NQ right here. You have to decide when you're going to push the button. Please don't just jump in because I'm taking a trade. I always say don't copy trade me almost every single night. There are some nights and there are weeks when I'm extremely accurate and I get hot and I get on a winning streak and I'm in sync with the market. And then there's weeks where I'm out of sync with the market and I have very few green nights in the Asia session. So don't just take what I'm doing and say, oh, this guy I'm watching is doing this, I'm going to do this. My strategy and the way that I trade evals is pretty aggressive. Especially when I have funded accounts that I'm taking payouts on every day or multiple times a week. I don't babysit evals. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the eval at all. I want to be able to move it into my bank of funded accounts that I'm trading. Time to me is more valuable than a $80 account fee. And when I'm taking payouts regularly, I'm able to withstand. The prop firm game is a business model. You have to understand this. Trading prop firms is a business model wherein you're buying inventory for your business. Evaluations are your inventory that go up into your manufacturing process. That's your inventory that you have to do business. Your payouts are your revenue. And the difference between your revenue and your inventory costs is whether you're profitable or not. So for my business to run, I need to have revenue coming in consistently. And when I'm doing that, I'm buying new inventory to backfill so that I can eventually have more revenue and build up more opportunities to increase profit. It is a business model. And I don't copy trade. I rotate accounts. I trade one account at a time. Now, I might enter a trade on two accounts at the same level on the chart, but I'm not copy trading them. I'm actually going into the DOM. I'm entering on one, going to the next DOM, entering on another one. So I might take the same trade on different accounts, but it's not being copy traded. So for me, when I'm thinking of inventory, I'm thinking of I don't want to just sit here and babysit this one little thing, this one little piece of my business. I need to increase the funded part, the back end of my manufacturing process, and that means I've got to go through this inventory a little quicker so that I can have more funded accounts to then supply me a return to buy more inventory. It's a business. So many people think about, oh, I just need one account. You're not going to be long-term extremely profitable or profitable at all if you're just babysitting one account at a time. That's what was slowing me down for so long. That's the methodology and the mindset that was keeping me as a break-even prop firm trader for over a year and a half, 2 years. Was I'm going to babysit one account at a time. I'm going to get it to funded, and then I'm going to babysit that funded account. Instead of thinking it as in terms of a business, I was thinking of it as in terms of, oh, these prop firms are looking to have really good day traders. They're really looking to have super disciplined traders, and they want people to just be super conservative. And first of all, they're not looking for good traders. They're looking they penalize good traders by moving them to these really small live accounts when they start making too much money. That's how much they want a good trader. If they really wanted a good trader, they would give good traders really good live accounts to trade with, but they don't want good traders. How much am I paying into props? So my personal budget right now from my personal funds is up to $1,000 a month I will use to buy evaluations. I will take about 30 to 40% of my payouts will go back into the business. 30% go to taxes, and the other 30% goes into my cash brokerage account that I'm building up right now. So if I don't have to spend my own money on evaluations, I won't. I'll just use my payouts to keep funding the inventory purchase. My eval pass rate is about 55%, almost 60% right now. So for me, like when I was doing baby step, trying to pass evals, and I would just focus on one evaluation at a time, one account at a time, my pass rate was like 25 to 30%. And when I started trading multiple evaluations at a time, my pass rate went up to 60%. You've been sitting on one account for so long, affordability. Now you're starting on smaller sizes, 25K. I have one funded, no PAL yet, one eval, and 2 past evals not activated yet across 3 props. Blue Skies, you have the start of a business model right there, my friend. You have the start of a good business model right there. My strategy is just entering and hope I win. Yep, you nailed it. I couldn't have told you my strategy any better than what you just said right there. Drop says, have you ever traded your own account? I have. When I started my cash brokerage account, I took it from $200 to $1,000. And then I stopped trading it just to focus on prop firms, and I started streaming. And I realized that's going to be an inefficient way for me to grow that cash account, is trading it, a tiny, tiny cash account. So I need to get it to a pretty, like I think minimum 5 figures, like at least $10,000 to trade one micro consistently, 1 or 2 micros consistently on it every day. So that's my goal, is to get it to at least 10K before I start doing that. Do you even trade, bro? RS Camilla says, hey, I'm literally preparing mentally to hit a big first trade on my fundeds. Any recommendation here? If you do it, of course, this is not financial advice. Matoski in the house. If you ask Matt a question, he's listening. And he says, yes, that's my strategy. Entering and hoping. Hoping I get lucky every day, every month, every year, and every tournament with it. You're the luckiest bastard I know, Matt. I'm glad you taught me how to do the same thing. While we're asking questions, what are my thoughts on gold? T-Dogs Malone. I'm so glad you asked. My thoughts on gold are that it is expensive. It's shiny, it's pretty, it's heavy. And my wife loves to wear it on her body. What denomination of coin do I flip? I like the Susan B. Anthony silver dollar. I'm kind of partial to when I enter my trades. I like flipping that silver Susan B. Anthony silver dollar. Double-sided. Double-sided heads. That's the only coin I flip. What are my thoughts on lean hogs? I like fat hogs, I think. You get better pork chops, better ribs, better pulled pork barbecue. Rule number 1, never ask Brad about gold. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Lean hogs. I know you can trade lean hogs on futures. Lean hogs do bring home the bacon money. Yeah, baby. That bacon money. Maybe we should just do a lean hogs night. Can you trade lean hogs at the Asia Open? Is that even an option? What can I trade on? Can I trade lean hogs? I've got copper, gold, wheat, soybean meal, soybean oil, corn, live cattle. I can trade lean hogs. Let's pull up a chart on lean hogs. Look at this. I have no DOM, and it's not moving, so the market must be closed. So lean hogs is not open in the Asia session, evidently. It looks like it closes at 2 p.m. Where is the open? It opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 2 p.m. I can't trade lean hogs. No lean hogs on the night shift. You're going to have to talk Matt into trading some lean hogs on his show.
Yeah, Green Day's on it. Scooter Trap, get around. Matt just pulled up.
The hogs are sleeping? Yeah, that's what they are. They're asleep right now. All right, guys, give me a new code word. Let's give away a Tradeify 50K select account. Give me a new code word. What you got? Give me something good, something meta with the chat tonight. Come on. You guys have nailed the first two. Liver. I love it. Liver it is. Let's go with liver. We had a whole conversation about liver. I love the meta keywords. Liver it is. Type it in. Let's go. We're giving away a 50K Tradeify select account. Let me go show you these guys. Interestingly enough, Tradeify has dropped out of the top 10 on prop score. They have dropped out of the top 10 on prop score. It's crazy. Tradeify is such a good firm. They have such good accounts. And that tells you just how good these other firms and other accounts are up here, that they're out of the top 10. 50K select. So there's two options on the select account. When you pass the eval, you can either choose a daily payout option when you go to the funded side, or you can choose, what's it called? The select account or the flex account. So on the actual evaluation, it's exactly the same. No matter what path you choose when you're funded, it's the same evaluation. So you get 2K max loss limit, 3K profit target, which is really good. Anything under a 1 to 2 is, so it's a 1 to 1.5. Anything under 2 is a fantastic drawdown to profit target ratio. 40% consistency, which means you can pass this account in 3 trading days. And then when you're funded, you have the ability to choose either daily payout path or your flex path. If you choose your flex path, which is what I have up here on the account right now, you can take a $3,000 payout every 5 days. There's no consistency. There's no daily loss limit. If you choose the daily payout option, let me find the daily. Hold on. Select daily 50K. You can take, there is a daily loss. There's no consistency, but you do have a daily loss limit on the daily payout. And you can take a $1,000 capped payout every day if you choose that path. So that's what we're giving away. Great account. The daily payout option does score an 8.2, which is a really, really, really good score. if you choose the flex side, the score goes down to a 7.5 because of the return on investment. Because theoretically, you could make $5,000 in 5 days on the daily path versus only making $3,000 every 5 days on the flex path. So those are your options after you pass. That's what you have to look forward to.
She don't like desperado. You keep on forcing, she'll bleed you dry. But the child don't give a damn if you live.
I put a poll up in the chat. I think this poll is a really good something to think about. And we're going to talk about this after the drawing. What is the most important? Did my chart freeze again? Oh, no, I thought it did. What's the most important thing you consider before buying an eval with any prop firm? And the 4 options are price is the most important thing that you consider. Guaranteed payouts or instant payouts is almost at the bottom. And how much the payout is or the frequency of the payout is near the bottom. The 2 things that you guys care about the most are how much does it cost and how easy is it to pass or to get to a payout. Those are the 2 things you guys care about the most when you're choosing which prop firm account to buy next. The price and the simplicity. Getting instant payouts or guaranteed payouts is pretty low. And how much of the payout is, or the frequency with which you can get a payout is the lowest pulled position as the most important thing. Price, and then the ease with which it is to pass or get a payout. I think that's a fascinating look into the psychology of traders and prop firm traders specifically. You're not as concerned with the payout amount. You're not as concerned with how often you can get a payout. You're mostly concerned about how much money's coming out of your pocket and how easy it is to get to a payout. Firm needs to be reliable. I think so. That was my net. If I could do 4 options, I would have put the reliability or reputation of the firm is the most important thing as an option, but I could only do 4. Not concerned with the payout amount because most never get a payout. Yep. That's why they all like Apex, or we know like Apex. You have to pass an eval before I care about getting paid. Yep. Did you see the present I gave you in Discord? What? You gave me a present? Oh my God. Somebody put Kyle in timeout. What in the world? Why would you do this to me? Why would you do that to me? If this is your idea of a present, I don't ever want to receive any more presents from you. Ever again. Never again. Don't ever give me one of your presents. I don't want it. All right, let's spin the wheel. We're giving away a Tradeify 50K select account right now. Let me get rid of all these people. That's the old one. Here's the new list. All right, you can stop typing. All the names are on the wheel. Bot is turned off. Code word is turned off. You can stop typing. We're going to shuffle it up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Here we go. Tradeify. 50K select account goes to Alpacalypse. That's a great name. Alpacalypse. I love it. Let them eat carrots. Spelled my name wrong? Slacks, I don't think you can enter, can you? That's a great name, Alpacalypse. Did they type anything? I haven't seen the... Oh, there it is. Here. Incredibly rigged. But here. I love it. All right, let me put you into the winner's circle. Tradeify. 50K selects. You, my friend, have been entered into the winner's circle. Congratulations. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there are instructions there on how to claim your prize. Congrats. Congrats. Claudio Mendoza's message. Wait. Where's Claudio Mendoza's message? In the chat? Did I miss it? Winner, winner, chicken and the fish liver. Oh. That's awesome. All right. Next giveaway. What do we got? What do we have left here? We have left four great accounts. Three Lucid Pros, 50Ks, and a My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. Baller. Do not order me carrots. You can order me like raw carrots. I love raw carrots. Raw carrots, dip them in ranch, chomp down. You get that crunch. Oh, I think they're delicious. Come on, let's get a pump up to Globex. Let's go, baby. Market has found its grind. We had a great Globex open, sold off. Great buy off of HP. Made $1,116 off that. We passed a next-gen account for $1,250. And now we're just chopping around inside this little bitty tight range here. And I'm caught kind of in the middle. Would love to see some bulls take over here and give us a push back up and retest that Globex open. Carrots and ranch on top, baby. They're delicious. You just can't cook carrots. They're not meant to be cooked. God, I don't know how you can eat mushy, soft, hot carrots. Oh, God. Like, it just instant triggers gag. My mom used to... So I got this because my mom, Rain8778, the reason I came to hate cooked carrots so much is my mom, when I was a kid, would make a Sunday roast every week. And she would have potatoes and onions and cooked carrots with the Sunday roast, the pot roast. And she would make me eat those damn soft carrots, and I would just gag the entire time. And I can't do it. From that point on, never, ever, ever in the rest of my life will I ever be able to eat cooked carrots. You can give me everything else in that pot roast. I'll tell you what, dude. Potatoes that are cooked with a pot roast in a Dutch oven. Oh my God. Those potatoes are the best flavor potatoes that you've ever had. They are the absolute best. God, I miss those. Lady Darb, if you're watching, we need to go get a pot roast. And we need to cook us up some pot roast and throw some potatoes in there. Oh, that sounds amazing. Nope, the carrots go right in the trash. You just passed another next gen on that pump. Let's go. Nope, I can't do carrots and chicken noodle soup either. If there's carrots on my plate that are cooked, they get taken out or just moved to the edge of the plate. You fight over the pot roast carrots? Brother, you would never have to fight me. The only reason you would have to fight me is if you tried to make me eat a pot roast carrot. Then we would fight. Oh, Shuri Official. Hey, buddy, welcome back. I'm so glad you didn't leave. Please ask me 10 more times. For the love of God, I hope you ask me 10 more times. You put oil on the plate under the cooked carrots so they slide into the trash can faster. Austin Trial. Austin Trial. You, my man. Great idea. Was that the one that got bounced? It absolutely was. And he's gone. He gone. He didn't learn his lesson from the first time. How about you put that giveaway up your earth? I don't understand. Why would you do that, get put in timeout, and then immediately come back and start the same process all over again? That is absolutely amazing. What's up, Say? What do I think of Next Gen Prop Firm? They're a pretty good firm, man. They just celebrated their 1-year anniversary. They have some crazy sales that make their accounts very attractive when they have really good sales. They have a good one going on right now where you can get 80% off an eval and a 90% off the eval reset, which basically is just guaranteeing you a funded account at that point. Oh my gosh. What makes you think that if you just keep repeating yourself, that the streamer is going to want to engage with you? He probably has 6 YouTube channel streams up right now. Whoever is streaming right now, he has all of them up on his screens. And he's just going from one chat to the next, asking, when's the next giveaway? When's the next giveaway? When's the next giveaway? Diving in the deep, you don't think you're eligible? Did you win an account this week? Let me check. Nah, you haven't won an account this week. You're good. More panhandlers on YouTube streams than at intersections. How many other streamers are giving accounts away? I don't know. I don't even know who's streaming right now. Who are the streamers that are on right now at 9:30? I think we're the biggest stream from the 9 o'clock hour on. I think at the first couple hours, there's a few that compete with us that are pretty good. But I think from the 9 o'clock hour on, I don't think there's many other streamers going right now, is there? There are other night streamers? I don't think there are. Yeah. Not with 1,000 people on their show. When you find the best, you don't go looking at the rest. That's a great answer. That's a great answer. I love it. Is Top Step on right now? I thought after slow markets, don't they go off after slow markets? Are they still on? Let me look. Let me pull up some YouTubes live. All right, Stephen Kalajian's on. So My Funded Futures is still going. Who else? I don't really see anybody else on right now. Is it just me and Stephen K? There's got to be others. Let me search live futures trading. Let me see if anything comes up with live. Rake Trades. I don't know who that is. Some dude named Wix9. I don't know. Yeah, there's really basically no one in this time slot right now. How many people are on this show right here? 188. Yeah. So just My Funded Futures and the night shift. That's it. Am I getting stopped out? Maybe. I don't know. I'll let the market tell me if I'm getting stopped out or not. I might consider adding to this position. Whoever they are, they're not the night shift. You know that. Some of the channels are bots. Yeah, they don't really actually have live streamers on them. They just have like a screen, like a trading view screen up, and that they try to like just put signals in the chat or whatever. What is with this every time, man? Every time after Daytrader Manifesto, it goes to some crazy song on Suno. I don't even know why. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's give out the let's do our Lucid Pro 50Ks. Ask Shire, he knows. If only I could ask him. He's in timeout right now. Yeah, Rips typically trades the Globex Open. I think he's doing the World Series of Poker right now, so his stream schedule is a little off because he has to be. He's in the World Series of Poker tournament pretty much the entire month of June. I think he's in like 4 or 5 events. So there's 14,000 people watching a bald eagle nest. Is that all it takes? We're not doing carrots. You can just leave out carrots. It's never going to be carrots, I promise you. Pot roast. Let's go. Pot roast it is. Dan, I bet you got a good pot roast recipe. Except for the carrot part. Pot roast it is. Type it in. Carrot Skittles. You can make roast without wait. You scroll by. You can make this without carrots. Pot roast. Believe me, when my wife makes pot roast, we don't put carrots in it, or she just puts them on one side of the like Dutch oven so that she can get her carrots, and the other side is not disturbed. Which I'm cool with. Like I'm for compromise. I'm for some compromise. I don't mind that. What's ES doing? Looking to push a little bit lower there. Oh, we can take off lead hogs. We don't need that. All right. I think take a stab.
Stay calm in the storm, rocket scoot about to launch. 4 more tears deep, my patience getting warm. Screaming inside while the endless delay. Grip slipping fast, but I won't fade away.
Oh, goodness. All right. What are we doing? What account did I say? Did I say Lucid? I think I did, didn't I? I said Lucid, right? Lucid Pro 50K. Look at this account. 8.5. Look at these numbers. 10.0 on price per time in market. You can get a pay. So you can pass this account in 1 day and you can get a payout. You can upgrade the same day you pass. So technically you can get a payout in 3 days. Technically. That's how good this Lucid Pro account is. Pass in 1 day. There's no consistency on the eval. 2K loss limit, 3K drawdown. They do have a daily loss limit on both the eval and the funded. The funded has a 40% consistency, and you do have to clear your initial drawdown buffer. But you can do it in 3 days. So if you wanted, let's say you wanted to take a $2,000 payout, that means you're going to have to make 4.1K to take that full $2,000 payout. So 40% of that is $1,600 a day for 3 days, and you could get that. I love Lucid, man. Lucid is such a great firm. Their payouts are fantastic. Their support is fantastic. Their dashboard is fantastic. The instant upgrade is fantastic. The instant payout is fantastic. There's nothing I have to complain about other than the only thing I would say about Lucid is that their payouts are a little bit smaller for some of the same style accounts that other firms offer. That is the only downside. I would say Lucid has just slightly smaller payouts than like My Funded Futures, Funded Next, Tradeify, Take Profit, so on and so forth. My Funded Futures does pay out instantly as well, yes. That is correct. They do as well. All right. How many we got? I'll give you 1 more minute. Lucid 50K Pros coming your way. We got 3 of these accounts. We'll do one like every 15 minutes. We'll do one now. We'll do one like 15 minutes later. And then like every 15 minutes, we'll give one of these away. And then we'll end our night with 4 boot camps and a 50K My Funded Futures Rapid goated account. Not happy at all about the rigged giveaways. I'm going to add in there. I'm willing to risk an all or nothing on this eval right here, since I've got almost 50% of the other one. This is my aggressive nature with trading these. Just saw someone posting the keyword for the 6th time. It's okay. It's all right if they spam. It does help engagement on the chat channel and everything. It's fine. I'd love to see a pullback here up into like the 685 level from where we are right here. Would love to see it turn around and give me a pivot back into this little choppy range here. All right, no VWAP. I usually have the VWAP on when I'm on the trading view. I have the various indicators and all that up here on that. But since I'm using Alpha Trader, I just don't have it on there right now. All right, let's grab all the users here. Let's spin the wheel. Here we go. Spinning the wheel. Let me get rid of all these people. Select all. New list. You can stop typing. Bot is turned off. Keyword is turned off. No more entries. All of the names are on the list that are going to get on the list. That's it. No more entries. Shuffling it up. Here we go. Lucid Pro 50K, winner number 1. Lucid Pro 50K. Jessica Forever. Now, is this someone simping over Jessica Forever, or is this actually Jessica? Chat, what do we think? Is this a simp handle, or is this actually Jessica? Oh, that's right. It's his sister who made it. That's right. All right, hold on. Not sure what's happening with the They won before. I remember they won before now. Yeah, it's a dude whom his sister made his account for him. Yeah, you won a 25K flex. I remember that. I don't know why the music isn't playing on my stream anymore. Hold on. All right, there it goes. I just had to reset it for a second. All right, let me get you in to the winner's circle. I remember you now. Lucid 50K Pro. Jessica Forever. It's a great handle. I love it. Your sister is so proud, I'm sure. All right. We'll do another one in 10 minutes. Next giveaway in 10 minutes. Play some U versus U. I can play U versus U. We'll play it after this song. Am I for or against consistency rule? So I don't mind the consistency rule. I would prefer it not to have a consistency rule. I mean, it's just another hindrance in your trading, in your ability to get to a payout. It's just a way to slow you down from getting to payouts and to getting to targets. Yeah, Jessica. No, I know you're on here. What's your actual name so I don't have to call you just Jessica? What can I call you besides? Can I call you? Is your name Jesse? Is it Dan? What's your name? So when I see your name, I can just say name instead of Jessica Forever because I know that's weird. Just call him Jesse's girl. Jesse and James. Jess ICT Forever. I like it. Jess ICT instead of Jessica. Jess ICT. That's not bad. Just Bob. Skippy. Let's chat. What do we call Jessica Forever from now on? What do I look like without a hat? Oh, I got hat hair right now, so I don't look great. What is Jessica Forever's new chat name so we don't have to say Jessica Forever? I see a Jessie. My girl, Jess Forever. Hey girl. Jeff. J4. J4's not bad. Jesse Squirrel. Oh, that's good. Jesse's little bro. That's good. I like that. I like Jesse's little bro. He doesn't want to tell me his real name. JJ. Second Mormon wife? What the hell? Let's go. I'm looking for 85. I'm looking for 85 on this. There it is. Spike up. I'll take it. Another 800 or 755. Jess the Killer. Shuri Official's back, everyone. Shuri Official's back. Nice to have you back, brother. Just waiting. I'm just waiting. Jessinator. I like Jessinator. Oh, Jess Simpson. I like it. Jess Simpson's not bad either. Temporary Jess. It's me, Jessica. Giveaway. CISO. Oh, it's so good. That's where VWAP is, and it's right at the bottom. It's basically at the bottom of the end of that range there. So if price wanted to continue higher, I would be fine with that. But because I added back into the position and got my cost average down at the bottom of the range, I just wanted it to stab back up into that VWAP area. That's why I was picking 85. What's the reason I changed the color of the green and red candles to light blue and pink? Anna? Anna, it's a great question. Jesticle! Dan for the win! Dan for the win! Jesticle it is. I love it. That's a perfect name for Jessica Forever. I love it. Jesticles. All right. 5 more minutes until we get another giveaway going here. Jesticle is fire. I love Jesticle. Jesticle from now on. Everyone, don't let me forget. He is now henceforth Jesticle. Jessica Forever is now Jesticle. Somebody, Anna Loris asked why I have blue candles and pink candles. Who can tell Anna Loris why I have blue candles and pink candles? Anybody? Anybody know? No, Jessica Forever is a guy. No, Jessica Forever is a guy. That's the point. You're missing out. Jessica Forever is a male. It's a man. It's a dude. No, it's not for Pride Month. I've talked about this on the stream. I haven't talked about it in probably a month, but I have talked about why I have blue candles and why I have pink candles. She said she's a she? No. She said she's a girl and Jessica's her sister. Oh, now I feel horrible. Now I feel absolutely horrible. Chat, why did you let me go down that path for so long? Why did you let me? Jessica Forever, I am so sorry. We will not call you Jesticles. I thought you were a dude. I'm so sorry. My sincerest apologies. Please ask me one more time. I'm not rage baiting. Oh, there it is. I seriously thought I remembered him saying that she was a he, and that it was his sister that gave him that name. So I wasn't watching all the chat. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Candles are blue and pink. Okay, so here's my reason. Number one, it's easier on my eyes. The red and the green candles are harsh. I don't like them. They make me mad. They literally, I get angry when I look at red and green candles. So I changed them to blue and to pink for the masculine and the feminine. And I get crap about this, but here's my reasoning. Men are stronger, physically stronger. They're more. They're strong. They go up. Girls are more feminine and weaker. I'm not saying weaker like they suck. I'm just saying they're the weaker species. Like that's the way nature has formed them. So girls go down and boys go up. I have a lot of ladies that watch this stream, I'll have you know. There's a lot of females that watch this show. I said physically weaker. This is why we don't want men in women's sports. It's just think of it as feminine and masculine. Like, it makes sense in my head. Jessica over your benching 300? I don't think so. Quit digging the hole, yeah. I love the women. We have a bunch of women traders in here. And other than it, honestly, the main reason I do it's just softer on my eyes staring at a screen. It's just they're just not harsh colors. Like a baby blue and a soft pink are just easier for me to look at when I'm looking at charts all the time. I like the blue and the pink, man. That's all I'm saying. The blue and the pink, that's what I rock with. All right, let's get a new keyword. And it's not sexist. Women are better traders. I 100% agree with you. Women pick this up way faster than stupid, arrogant, stubborn men. It's not last call yet. That's for the very last one. We're not doing jesticles. I like sorry, Jess. There it is. Sorry, Jess. There's your keyword. Sorry, Jess. I can't remember who put it in there. Casio DC. Great. Sorry, Jess. That's the keyword. One word. Sorry, Jess. Type it in. Let's get it going. We're giving away another Lucid 50K Pro right now. Sorry, Jess. My bad. My bad. I literally missed all of that of you saying you were a girl. I'm so sorry. I would not have let chat take me down that path for so long. All right, you get one entry per person. It doesn't matter if you type it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. Only one entry per person. Oh, I thought we need to play you versus you, don't we? All right, let me get that. Hold on. Where's you versus you? Here we go. You have until the end of this song. I love this song. This song is absolute fire.
It's you versus you. Yeah, I've been here before. Yeah, I know this place. Where the doubt gets loud and I lose my pace. Where I start strong, but I fade too fast. Let the moment slip, let it all collapse. Yeah, tried to outrun what I didn't face. Kept looking around, trying to shift the blame. But the truth cuts clean when the lights go low. It's the man in the mirror I don't outgrow. Every second is a line I draw. Every action shows me who I am. I could fall back into who I was, or fight for who I said I am. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room.
What's up, Doc?
Versus you. It's you versus you. Yeah, I felt that way, yeah. Have held that loss, paid the price of letting discipline get lost. Watch my focus crack under pressure in time. Let emotion take what was never mine. But pain don't stay if you make it teach. If you lean in close instead of out of reach. Heavy scars a map if you read it right. Every wrong step still points to the fight. No more hiding from what I know. No more breaking the code I wrote. If I want that life I see ahead, then I live these words or I live misled. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. Show up when you don't feel ready. Show up when the weight gets heavy. You show up when you're barely steady. You show up when you got nothing left. Just show up again and again and again. Just show up again and again and again. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. At the end of it all, it was always you.
There you go. You versus you, baby. Love that song. Love it, love it, love it. Let me turn this back down. Let's go back up in the list a little bit here because we still got some time. Let's go back up here to, I like some of this stuff. Yeah, there we go. All right. Spinning the wheel. Where's my wheel? There it is. Here we go. All the users are in right now. There you go. Bam. All right. Lucid 50K Pro accounts. We're giving them away right now. You can stop typing. The keyword is turned off. The bot is turned off. Let's shuffle up all these names. Shuffle, shuffle. And then we're spinning the wheel. Lucid 50K Pro. Here we go. Oh, Yason. I think you already won. Yeah. Yason, you already won, buddy. You can't win this one. You already won this week. You only get one. You can only win one account per week on the night shift. Sorry about that, buddy. But you already won one Sunday, so you're good. All right. Let's spin it again. Cosmos 00072. This is why I have the one rule per week. Cosmos, congrats. Lucid 50K Pro. Let's get you in the winner's circle. Done. All right. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there's instructions there on what you need to do to get your account. Congrats, Cosmos. Thank you for being here, for smashing that like button. Almost up to 800 likes, guys. Almost up to 800 likes. We have one more Lucid Pro account, and we have one My Funded Futures Rapid, and we have 4 boot camps to give away. Bot check. We will catch the bots, I promise you. We will catch the bots. Score 90 is not working, Johnny Guapo, on when you reset. Johnny, are you talking about for the reset? Because that score 90 is for the reset. I don't know what to tell you. It's working for everyone else so far tonight. Slacks catches the bots like nobody's business. I promise you. If they're a bot, they will get caught and banned. All caps is what chat is saying, Johnny. All caps. I think it's cap specific. So all caps 90. Did you try that? You didn't realize you were a bot until Slacks told you were a bot? Jessica Forever, thank you for still being in chat after I completely offended you. Have you seen the new change to Top Step payouts for a limited time on new combines? I saw something about them raising their payout to $12,000 if you purchase the daily loss limit option. Is that what it was? Is that the one you're talking about? Warren in Thailand, they usually have an activation sale a couple times a month. You can go on either, if you're on the Prop Score Discord, they get posted in there all the time. It's a great deal. So I'm not a big fan of the daily loss limits. Again, they're just trying to slow you down and get you to chop up more frequently. And so the fact that you have to pay for a daily loss limit to me is kind of weird, number one. Especially when you can set a daily loss limit for free on Top Step X. You have to add the daily loss limit, right? Am I wrong about that? I believe you have to pay more for the daily loss option. Am I right? Maybe I'm wrong about that, but I think that's the way it works. I think the standard option is there is no daily loss limit. And I think you pay less for the daily. Okay. Thank you, Dan. All right, so here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. You get a discount on the evaluation. You get a discount if you choose the daily loss limit. So you pay less for the daily loss limit. They changed their payout caps tonight. I think it's double the payout cap, so up to $12,000 on the 150K accounts if you have a daily loss limit feature. It's $10 less on the 50K. Is that right, BJ? Okay, there you go. And no activation fee with daily loss limit on Top Step. Top Step is a good firm. Like I'm not. Top Step has good accounts, and I'll be interested to see how long is that going on. Is it just for tonight? That double the payout, is that just for tonight? Good job, Trey D. Good job, buddy. The next gen 50K, I'm not sure. Oh, that's going forward from here on out. Cool. I wonder if our prop score guys have that updated. Hold on a second. I'm not sure what's going on with the stream tonight. I've gotten a couple of messages that we're dropping frames and it's stuttering. I have a very excellent feed on my end. I'm not sure exactly what's happening there, so I apologize for that. It is connected. I ran a speed test. Everything's running hot and fine here. Kyle, the Top Step just doubled their payout cap if you choose the daily loss limit option on all of their combines. So instead of 6K, you can get up to 12K max payout on the Top Step accounts if you choose the daily loss limit option. I'm wondering how that affects their score on prop score. It should drastically increase the ROI for sure. But I'm wondering, having a daily loss limit is usually a negative. Picking up Skittles off the floor? Nope. There's no Skittles on the floor here. Not even close. I don't know what you're talking about. The daily loss limit stays with you forever. That's right. And you have to make double the payout amount because you can only take out 50%. So if you're going to make $12,000 on a payout, it means you have to make $24,000 on the account. And you have a daily loss limit to contend with to make that. There's a Skittle-free zone in the office. Oh my God. Oh, man. The berry. God, the berry Skittles. They're so delicious. I'm going to stick with the regular. If I go to Top Step, I am going to give Top Step another shake. I'm going to give them another opportunity. I just have too many accounts. I have those 4 next gens I'm waiting for an activation fee, and I'll trade those. I've got 2 alpha. I have 1 take profit, and I have 2 my funded futures rapids now. So I don't really want to add any more to my rotation. Snitches get stitches. You'd trade Skittles for nerd clusters? Dude, the nerd clusters are so good. Skydoc, you like the sour Skittles? Sour Skittles are pretty good. Dan, I heard that you're going to start streaming. Is that true? Are you going to do that? Nerd, I'm a big fan of the nerds. That's why Matt and I get along so well. You just mold the idea. Don't think you can handle it, dude. It's you gotta be wired for it. You know what I mean? Like it. There's definitely a certain personality that you have to do it well. I think there's a lot of people who think they can stream, and that just because they have a camera and a mic and some gear, they think they're good. It's so much more than just having the gear. It's so much more. There's so much more involved, I think, in having a good show than just turning on a mic and a camera and putting some charts up on your screen. So it's you've got to be able to carry the room. You've got to be able to have the confidence. You've got to be able to have some charisma. You've got to be able to have some public communication skills. You can't just throw Gen Z slang around and think you're a good streamer. And on top of that, you have to trade while you're doing it. So you got to be able to read the whole chat, monitor YouTube feed, monitor your OBS scenes, and watch the charts, talk about trading. And when there's not any trading going on, you got to be able to fill the space, keep the vibe going. It's hard, man. It is. There's a definite skill involved. And the good ones, the good streamers, they have the following. I mean, you can go watch their shows and you understand immediately why people like to watch them. So, yeah, the way you keep up with chat while trading, you just disappear and try not to go on tilt on stream. Yeah, I mean, Dan. That's one of the main reasons I only trade evals in the Asia session instead of my funded accounts, because I do get a little bit more intense when I'm trading my funded accounts. Then, and I say more intense, I just focus a lot more. I don't want the stream distracting me from trading my funded accounts. So All right, guys, let's do our last Lucid. We have one more Lucid, right? Yeah, we have one more Lucid Pro. Let's get our one more Lucid Pro. What's our keyword for our next Lucid Pro? Give it to me. What you thinking? What you thinking? It's not last call yet. No, it's not last call. It's not last call. We still have a My Funded Futures Rapid to give away. Nerds. Toilet paper. There it is. That's from earlier in the show. Toilet paper is the keyword. That's from earlier. Type it in, toilet paper. We were talking about COVID, and we were talking about how the crazy thing in the United States. Hey, thanks for that, Pine Tree. Appreciate you, man. You wear a low-cut top for views? You need to get Pine. You need to get some tape, and you get like a little push-up. You know. Oh, that's hilarious. Maybe I should try that. Pine Tree is a streamer, by the way, if you guys didn't know. He streams on My Funded Futures, and Pine Tree, I've actually caught the opening of your Globex stream a couple times, too, when I'm getting my stream set up, ready to go. He's a good trader. He's a good dude. Maybe I should get me a little low-cut tank top, get me a little push-up, wear my bro. Wasn't that a Seinfeld gag? The bro, where Kramer had a new idea. Pine is a humble guy. Yeah, Pine's cool, man. Pine's a cool dude, man. All right. I'm going to give you just another minute or two, and then we're going to spin the wheel. You got another minute or two, and we'll spin the wheel up. Type it in. Toilet paper is the keyword. We were talking about, sorry, I got distracted by Pine's message and his low top. We were talking about COVID early in the show, and how the craziest thing about COVID in the whole lockdown period was the fact that toilet paper was the most precious commodity. You could not find toilet paper anywhere in the United States. It was more precious than Bitcoin. It was crazy. Wow, look at that little... What was that spike? Dude, we just got like a 30-point spike. Chinese services PMI. Was that it? That can't be it. Drone strikes in central Russia? No. Why did we just get that pump right there? That's really weird. You guys didn't have toilet paper in the UK either for COVID? What the hell? Why was everybody rushing out to get toilet paper? I still don't understand the lack of toilet paper in the world for COVID. Did Barron Trump have like a massive position with Charmin? Somebody needs to check that out. Somebody should check that out. Same in Portugal. Why? What in the world? That doesn't make any sense. You got in the long right before that pump. That's nice. That's nice. The name of this song, it's called Hedge Pressure Highway, which tonight was the play of the night, right off of Hedge Pressure right down here. We nailed it, baby. We nailed it. It started with Australia, where all their TP comes from China, and then China shut down. They ran short, so FOMO kicked in all across the globe. There's so many other things that people could have used for toilet paper besides toilet paper. That's what's amazing to me. Like, you understand, you don't just have to use toilet paper. It was the craziest. I'd never want to go back to that experience again. That was the weirdest, dumbest time in the history of our world. I know that there was a lot of sad, bad things that happened to people during that time, but just that entire whole lockdown experience was horrible. In our defense, we've never used anything else. You've never used a napkin or a paper towel? Come on. Everybody has had to do the duck walk to the cupboard to grab a new roll or to grab a paper towel. Everybody has had to duck walk. I know you have. Poison ivy. You just go out like a dog in the grass and just start dragging your butt across the yard. All right, let me get the wheel up. Where's my wheel? There it is. Socks, yeah. Out of toilet paper, socks. Everybody has socks in their drawer that is missing a partner. You could go get a sock. I mean, there's so many other things besides just actual toilet paper that you could use. We're creative people, man. All right, here's our last Lucid 50K Pro account. Shuffling it up. Here we go. Stop typing, guys. You can. This giveaway entry is done. Error 404 profit. Nice. I like that. Not a bot. Error 404 profit. You won. The bidet will save you. Just get a bidet. I love this name. This is a great name. A sock? I mean, if that's all you had and you were in desperate times, you could use a sock. I see you. All right, let me put you in the winner's circle. Lucid 50K Pro. Bam. All right, buddy, go to the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize. Go to the Claim Your Win channel, and there's instructions there on how to get your account. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the show. All right. For anybody, we're going to give away 4 boot camps. You have 60 seconds, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to pick 4 winners. Boot camp. If you would like a free month of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp, the best trading education on the planet, this is your chance here right now. Type the word boot camp into the chat. You have 60 seconds, and then we're going to use ChatGPT to draw 4 winners' names right now. This is the education that turned everything around for me, man. It took me from being a break-even trader to consistently passing evaluations, consistently getting payouts, and now becoming a full-time day trader as a streamer on Rocket Scooter. That's what I'm talking about. Type bootcamp right now. You got 20 more seconds, and then we're chat GPT in this. We're giving 4 of these away tonight.
DM's blowing up. Teach me, King, drop the pin.
All right. Here we go. Grabbing it. Putting them in. All right, you can stop. Please choose 4 random names from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. Here we go. There's like 100 of you that got your name in, so good job. Here's the winners. Bank Robber Trading, JC Norris, Warren in Thailand, and Edward 222B. Congrats, guys. You just won yourself a free month to the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. We are in like week number 3 of our live boot camp right now, but that's okay. You can go watch the videos from the last boot camp and catch up. Let me get you guys into the winner's circle here. There you go. You have been entered. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. And they will hook you up. They will hook you up. All right. Where do we go from here, chat? Do we make all-time highs before the New York Open? Do we drop back down and retest HP again? Are we just going to chop around? What are we thinking? You're going to be a rocket scooter trader one day? Let's go, man. I hope so. You can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Believe me. Oh, Drops dropping in another boot camp dono. That's 4 more boot camps to give away. Hey, Drops. I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Remind me for tomorrow's show that you donated a boot camp, okay? I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Everybody says chop. Everybody says chop. I get that vibe as well. Here's a question. Tomorrow isn't promised. No, it's not. Do we make a new high of the week? Is the high of the week in right now? Or are we still going higher this week? What do we think? Hey, Ricardo, thanks for being here, man. I appreciate you. You can go tuck yourself, buddy, and we'll see you tomorrow night, all right? Do we put in a new high of the week? No way this is high of the week. Everybody thinks. Papa Les says the market is way too long. Papa Les is have we put in a high of the week already at 30,763? Brian Jefferson, you heading out? Cool, man. Thanks for being here, buddy. You can go tuck yourself too. We'll see you tomorrow. Ooh, Papa Les says high of the week is in right now. AJ9 says a new high before the end of this week. Yeah. 31K this week from Doodah. Nice. I mean, we're only on Wednesday. We have 3 trading days. 31K is definitely in the cards. I mean, we're 300 points away. That's easily doable for NQ. I guess it just depends on if we win the war again, right? If we win the war again, new all-time highs. We'll win the war in overtime this week. We go up like men. We do have FOMC this week. Tomorrow, we have the ADP employment change coming out tomorrow at 7:15. We have PMI at 8:45. We have factory orders and ISM services at 9 o'clock. Crude oil inventories at 9:30. That could be big depending on, with all the oil stuff going on. That could cause some disruption depending on how those come out. And then on Thursday, what do we have Thursday? U.S. initial jobless claims come out Thursday. And then Friday, of course, we've got earnings, average. We've got the U.S. average earnings. We've got non-farm payrolls. We've got unemployment rate. We've got the Canadian unemployment rate. We've got all kinds of red news still to come this week. Did I say FOMC? I'm sorry. I meant non-farm. I'm sorry. I misspoke. It's getting late. It's getting late. Not FOMC. Non-farm payrolls on Friday. I'm sorry about that. All right, guys. It's time. The time is upon us. Our final giveaway of the night, My Funded Futures 50K Rapid account. Now you can type it. Bot is on. Let's get it in. My Funded Futures 50K Rapid. There's really not much of a better account. It's a 9.9. 25% off, unlimited uses. That's why I picked up these two My Funded Futures. These are 50K Rapids over here that I'm trading on eval tonight on stream. 25% off. You can pick up these for $118, which is a great price. It's cheaper than TPT. These are just great accounts. You can pass in 2 days. And when you can instant upgrade after you pass. So you could, in theory, get your payout in 2 days on this account. In theory. But even if you don't trade it the same day you pass, you could get a payout in 3 days. You could pass to payout in 3 days. You can take up a $10,000 on each payout, a 90% profit split, 10.0 price per time in market. I don't know how you get a faster price per time in market. Literally from the time you start your eval until you get to a payout could be 48 to 72 hours. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Return on investment, mind-blowing. $118 for a chance to make $10,000 on any one payout. And My Funded Futures is just a great firm, and they're highly reliable. They have instant payouts, instant upgrades. I really would love to get both of these passed and get to the daily payouts on those. So that's what I'm shooting for here. That's what I'm shooting for here. I'm going to give you about 45 more seconds, and then we're going to spin the wheel one final time. Intraday trailing drawdown ruins everything. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I hate it. And I understand why they have it. I understand why they have it. For me, having a few accounts that give me the daily payout option for my business as a prop firm trader, it's worth me trying until I get over that hurdle to have a few daily payout accounts in my stable of accounts that I'm managing. They have the best payout options. and they have the largest payout options, and they have the best payout time frames. No consistencies, and massive payouts. So you do have to clear the intraday hurdle, and it sucks. I get it. I don't like it. So you can either brute force your way by going max, like almost max leverage and just waiting for an A+ setup. Most people don't have the patience for that, and as soon as they get it, they want to start trading it. And so then the way that you should probably go about it is just, $400 to $500 stabs at a time. Build that buffer, get it done. The nice thing is, hey guys, if you don't, the trade day also is a very similar account. They just came out with these accounts called Quick Pay for the trade day firm. There's no buffer. So even though you have intraday trailing drawdown on the funded accounts, there's no buffer to clear on the intraday trailing account. So you could just literally take a payout on day one, even if you don't clear your buffer. So trade day, they jumped into the top 4 on prop score right here with this account. It scores an 8.9. That's insane. That's great. Absolutely great. All right, let me grab all the users here in about 10 more seconds. And we'll get our last My Funded Futures 50K up and running here in just a second. Here we go. All right, there we go. You can stop typing. I got everybody's name. No more entries. Code word turned off. Keyword turned off. All right. Good luck, guys. Shuffle in the names and spin it. What in the frickin' world? Are you kidding me? Alpha TPT, Lucid, Apex, Top Step, Tradeify, my MF. I don't even know what to say about that. That's the keyword for the first giveaway tomorrow. That's the keyword. Somebody remember this. This is the first keyword for tomorrow. That is an absolutely insane name. I saw them. They put a smiley face. That's the first keyword for tomorrow. Let me put you in. MFF, 50K, Rapid. What a crazy name. But whatever. Congratulations. That is insane. Absolutely insane. What a crazy freaking name. I can't wait to see Slacks interrogate that guy to see if he's a bot. I want to be a fly on the wall. No, MF, he couldn't. He ran out. He had an MF at the end. He couldn't put MFF. He had an MF at the end. Absolutely know that as the first word for tomorrow. Oh, that's hilarious. They've won before, not on my show. They haven't won on my show before. That's hilarious. Guys, it has come to that time. One of my bittersweet times of the night. I love it because I get to tuck you in and we get to listen to the greatest closing song in the history of closing songs. But it's sad because I have to say goodnight and I don't get to see you for another 24 hours or so. I get to tuck you in. I get to pull the blankets up, turn the lights off, wish you sweet dreams of green. Thank you so much for the way you support the show. Thank you for the way you support me. Thank you for the way you support Matt and Neon. Our channel gets bigger every single day and every single week because of you guys. I love you. I really do. And I mean that. I'm grateful for an opportunity to get to spend time with you every single night here. So I don't take it for granted. But for now, night shift is clocking out. Hey, Adam Daz, Wags Graham, Trigger, Forbidden Shenanigans, Moneymaker Aspiration, Atomic Trader, You're Tucked, Ken Jeff, Alpha, TBT, Lucid, Apex, Top Step, Tradeify MF, Sweet Dreams, Fab Lab Fusions, Good Night, Chatty Ray, George Realisto, Trader CN, Genestec, Lucky Mon, Zay, JJ Redbird, Good Night, 98 SR20 Debt, You're Tucked, RS Camillo, Daily Mana, Rocky Mountain Trades, Real Trade Strategies, Good Night.
Night shift, clocking out, close the charts, power
Rodell Octi, Zaphite, Chump Trader, Brett Allen, PL Strong, Kevin X, Spiv, AJ9M, Trade Completes, Toasty, J-Han, Solo Futures Trader. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for being here.
liquidity drifts, no need for
Kurt King, Akash Biswallets, Burns Trades, Analoris, RS Camillo, Badgers, Zay, Duarte Machado, good night. Scott Trades Futures, Andrew Trades, Trades by Now, Mr. Scary Baker, BB Trader, Biggest Wickus, Infield XD, Marco Polo, JOY, Kelsey the Trader, Icy Hawk, Bob Axel, Coach Greg, good night, guys.
night shift, clocking out.
Joni, the Prophet Guru, Tyler G, Crazy Chris, Flip Flop, Jay Black, Janice Midfield, Creation Sensation, Middle Please, Urel, Leon, Iron Bug Mike, Ty Tommy, Bill Jeff, Pipster, Pacific Projects, Rob Trades, Trader Girl, Good Night, You're Tough, Sinister Scalper, Johnny Guapo, Christy Naya, You're Tucked, Sharp DXI.
Sweet dreams are made.
Good night. Veronica DG, Lucky Mon, BD Trader, already said, Brian B Dog, Marco Musso, Quantum, Adam Daz, good night. Bruce Wayne, Locu Montana, good night. Motionism and Sebastian Tracy, Real Trade Strategies, Bank Robber Trading, Trading and Gaming, Buzz Bear, Slacks, good night. Mark Franken Tokyo, Alpha Petrol Heads, Mathematica, Adam Daz, Scott HB, Roy Pot, Chef Trades, David Madrid, Rail AR, Moises Encarnacion, Santana, good night. Jesus, good night. SMT Hunter, Shacky Brown, Roy Bot, Billy Jeff, Alvin D, Mom Bucks, good night. Shannon, good night. Drops Trades, good night. NC7, the BK Dot, Oz Trader 23, good night, You're Tucked. Beat Trades, good night. Jessica Forever, I'm so sorry. Have a great night.